Hello, everybody. What's good? It's Jonathan. Everybody's saying to me that I baby. I no fucking baby. I proven to you by haciendo the intro to Bodega Boys podcast. I do the intro. Only man can do the intro. No fucking baby. I know baby, my nigga. Look at my face. It's baby face, but I smoke hookah because los baby no fuman hookah. Yo soy un hombre, coño. Shout out to my niggas, Bodega Boys in the building. You know what I'm saying? Yo Chipotle, Mero, you know what I'm saying? El Papi Champú, Papi Quemalito, estamos lit. Yo, do the drop, my nigga. I'm not a fucking baby. Holla.
The following opinions do not reflect those of our sponsor. It's lit.
Hi guys, this is Bodega Boys. This episode is sponsored by Hypnotic, so we thought we'd start off by allowing someone from Hypnotic to tell us about the brand and how the liquor is made.
Yeah,
so
let's hear about it.
If you'd like to feel free to go through it.
Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you.
Psych!
Send the fuck out of here, nigga!
We in the building. Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, aka Yo Chipotle. Pac say fat like Terrio. Chris Stats Porcelain Dip.
Whoa!
Eli Let Be.
Damn!
Buchas Gully.
No!
Slow down might know your bitch.
Why?
Young J Party.
Damn!
Young Hot Take. DJ Fuego. Mr. Nando's in Toronto. 1994. Mikel going off. The Juve Boys. MC Lickle Goonga P. Pull up for 40 with your shorty. AKA Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool.
No!
I don't know you.
No!
AKA the original My +1 got a +1. So don't make a fuss, son. AKA Mr. La Marina and Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor.
Damn.
AKA your problematic babe.
Damn. Yo, it's your
go.
boy, nigga. The motherfucking human do-rag flap the kid Mero, nigga.
Let him
AKA
know.
skirt loader. You know what I'm saying? AKA I am no fucking baby, my nigga. I am man. You know what I'm saying? AKA bitch smack Biombo. You know what I'm saying? Feel the ass Tyson. God. Curve Gotti, Rico Sabroso. Papi Chulo Shampoo. You know what I'm saying? Nino Brown, East Tree, my Stevie B. Holla at your boy. We in the building. And the waves are not spinning.
Oh, that's right.
Because niggas are struggling. But it's lit, though.
It's lit. As always,
And open your medicine cabinet, nigga.
As always, coming to you live from 220 West 18th Street. Do the drop.
Damn.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, shout out to the sponsors. Today we have a special sponsor.
Dolo sponsor.
Dolo sponsor.
Throwing the
For
whole money bag, Dolo.
It's still Bang Bang Red Bull Gang.
All day.
But
Sipping.
Hypnotic cut the check.
Woo.
Hypnotic
Woo.
they drove the armored truck through the projects.
Niggas came
and they
through
were
the
giving
bricks
out
truck.
bundles in front of Eden World Projects like it was New Jack City.
Turkeys.
All right? They drove up and they said, we want a Bodega Boys episode because the brand is strong.
That's right.
And they know the stories.
That's right.
I'm sipping on Hypnotic right now. I feel like I'm in envy. I got my Vancin on.
Yo.
I got on my velour sweatsuit.
Son.
Memphis Bleak is over
Oh,
there.
yo, look at Meth Man.
It's lit.
Yo, how does he balance his hat like that?
Oh, man.
I
How's
don't
he doing?
even
Got the
know.
do-rag under
Duh.
it. It's lit.
Ever.
Hypnotic since 2001.
Nah, shout out to Hypnotic.
You know what I'm
Yo,
saying?
we got some big things planned with them.
That's
They
right.
looked out. They really did cut the check, and we got this whole episode is with them.
Whoa.
You know what I'm saying? I'm drinking Hypnotic right now.
You are. He's
You know
not
what I'm saying? There's some, they spent someone here. Say hello.
Yeah.
All right. She is here to make sure we don't fuck up the brand.
That's right.
There's
say
several
something too
rules we were told.
problematic.
Things we can't say. We can't say anything too political.
That's right.
I can't say that Hitler would enjoy a glass of Hypnotic
No,
after.
you cannot say that.
I can't say
He's
that.
not say. He didn't
I
say
can't
that.
say that.
He didn't say that at all.
Okay? That's not
That's
a
right.
go.
No.
No.
It's not allowed.
Not allowed
We're
at
good.
all. All right? Can't tell you to take 4 Hypnotics to the face and drive with your eyes closed on
definitely.
the up. See? No.
No, you cannot do that.
That's not what we do.
Don't.
That's what we do. What I can tell you to do is
drink
cop
the shit
a
in the
bottle
morning.
of Hypnotic
That's right.
and enjoy it. And follow Hypnotic on Twitter.
what I'm
Because
saying?
they have good tweets. They just did something with Cameron.
Shout out to Cam.
Did something with 2 Chainz and his
Shout out to
dog,
2
who we
Chainz.
met.
Trappy.
The
Shout out to Trappy.
little
we was
French
on-
bulldog.
Yo, we was on a bus with Trappy blowing
He was
out
like-
loud.
We
know
know,
what I'm
we
saying?
know 2 Chainz dog.
We know 2 Chainz. Oh, we smoke weed with 2 Chainz dog.
Wow.
Straight up. So holla. You know what I'm
the
saying?
brand is
Out here.
strong.
Brand is super brolic.
Brand is strong. A lot of stuff happened this week.
Mad shit.
I don't know. Did you get the voicemail that Donald Trump is trying to get us black people to vote for him?
Who? Mr. Brexit
Yeah,
himself?
Mr. Brexit. He was saying that. Listen, I didn't know it was so bad, but he was like, "Yo, he's gonna stop us from getting shot in the street."
Listen, how bad could it be, black people?
What the hell?
Your lives already suck. They can't suck any worse. It's gonna be huge. Vote for me. You can work in my casinos. I was like, bro, this nigga is just
He was like, "What the hell do you have to
lose."
I was like, "Yo,
it's so crazy.
That's not how you want to approach the situation. You can't approach it the way Martin proposed to Gina.
No.
You can't be like, "Yo, there's nothing left.
No.
You got no other chances."
Let me tell you something. That's not the scariest part about that. Nobody wrote that speech, fam.
He
went up
freestyled.
there and
He shot for
freestyled.
40.
He was up there like, Yo, throw the beat on. Throw the beat. Yo, your man is a wild animal. Yo, he came out and really said shit like, this is like straight Bass Pro Shop material. Be like, I don't know where he's going with this shit. I'm personally very smack right now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Shout out to Smack City.
I
We out
respect
here.
that. Smack
Yeah.
City. Smack
But yeah, he's
City.
wild, dog. You can't pull up like that. He's pulling up from 80, missing. You know what I'm saying?
He's
And
out
then
there
ended
though,
up
but
in
you know,
Mean
it
World.
sounds good. It sounds like if you are a white person, it sounds like a good thing.
idea.
I mean, if you're like a white person out there voting for Trump, not like
He's like, yeah, black people.
Yeah, pull yourself up.
Yeah, come on, guys.
Stop shooting each other.
Yeah.
You know, you got a point.
What about black on black crime, guys?
Yeah,
Come
what
on.
about that?
Yeah. What about Chicago, huh? Guys are all shooting each other up out there,
It's
huh?
like GTA 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
Using cheat codes?
Yeah. So don't worry too much about my buddy Donald Trump, and you know, because I pay your taxes. Like,
Wow.
What are you talking about, bro?
Well, you know, Mr. Brexit.
Shout out to Mr. Brexit.
He never followed up on that. He just dropped that and then was just like,
you don't care.
that was like,
That was his Z tweet. That was it. Like he was just like, yo, call me Mr. Brexit. Holla.
yo, speaking of the Z tweet, I forgot to put that on the run the show. Your man Drake and Meek Mill going
my
at
God.
it.
Holy moly. Yo, they got to stop. Yo, Meek, because this is what happened. Meek Mill called Drake a pussy in concert. After you called the dude a pussy in front of 100 people.
In his
or how many
hometown.
people were at the show. In his hometown. It's like, yo, come on. You got to.
But,
Because, yo.
I mean, the whole
Meek
thing wouldn't
called
have-
Drake pussy.
right, but the whole thing wouldn't have started if Meek wasn't like, yo, he's ghostwriting his thing. And he was mad that Drake didn't tweet out about his album.
Yeah,
so
Meek
remember
started the
that.
same shit.
So it's just like,
Dog, it's like the dude that was like, yo, I'm from New York.
Right.
I'm out here by myself.
it got duffed
It's
out.
good. And then he just got laid the fuck out.
I mean,
And you know what I'm saying?
it
Like, yo, don't
happens.
start a fight. You can't finish it, my nigga.
Listen, that's one to grow on. We need that little rainbow to go over our
That's
heads.
it.
Like, doo 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 doo
You know
doo.
what I'm saying?
Is that a thing? Can we get that sound? No, you can't afford that. That's some NBC shit.
Can't clear that.
Oh man,
Lawyers on top of lawyers.
did you see? I heard you were house shopping this weekend.
Yes, I was crib shopping out here in the streets. You know what I'm
Wow.
saying? Out here in Paramus.
The
Very
crib
heavy.
report with the
crib
kid
report.
Mero.
You know what I'm saying? Nice properties on the market out here. You know what I'm saying? Nice ranch, 4 bedrooms, open floor plan. You know, close to properties, houses of worship, and transportation. Nah, chill. Imagine I started doing real estate. Niggas would be like, what the fuck is going on?
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Like I'm just like, all
Nah,
right.
it is. Yo, there's a lot of things you gotta look at when you buying a crib, bro. Like a mudroom is very important to me because I don't want
I
people.
know about that from
Yes,
you.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? It's very important because you don't want people getting their nasty, dirty shoes all in your house. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? You got at least 3 doormats for you to wipe your feet before you step in my crib because I got carpets. You know what I'm saying? And they're expensive. And they're beige. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want y'all stepping on my beige carpet, fucking my shit up with your dirty Timbs. Mudroom is necessary.
I felt like that Dirty Tim's comment was directed at me. I felt like no one else in this room was coming through. I'm gonna come through a Rick James and shit. Just stomp my Timbs all through your shit. Get a
my shag carpeting.
get a white couch. So I can come through and just drag my feet,
Joe,
drag them.
I got way too many kids for white anything. in the
That's
house.
true.
You know what I'm saying? I got a white wife. That's enough.
Ha!
You know what I'm saying? Ba-dum-ts.
That down.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, nah, out here, copping cribs. You know what I'm saying?
Cool.
It was looking good out there. Shout out to Paramus, gang. Bergen County. You know what I'm saying? Garden State Plaza. You about to see me up in there smack. Hurley. Heavy.
Wow, that's when you know you made it.
Yeah.
When you not in that Target
man.
anymore. You in that Bergen County smacked in your
listen,
bathrobe.
Don't let me get up and fucking, what is it? What's the fancy one? There's one that's like wild fancy.
Palisades?
That nigga's- not Palisades. It's in Jersey. Shout out to y'all know.
Oh, I don't. Listen.
The shit with like the Louis store in it and Mr. Cupcake.
I don't go that high up.
Y'all know.
You know what I'm saying? You know me. Once I go past Stu Leonard's, I get nervous.
True baller.
Oh shit! Everyone that's not from like the tri-state area is like, what the fuck are they talking
What
about?
are you niggas talking about? Google it.
Google it.
You could tell your phone, yo, it's so easy. That's why it doesn't matter how deep a cut is, because you could literally call your phone and be like, yo, phone, what the fuck are these niggas talking about? And your phone will tell you, bruh.
That's not true because some cuts are too deep.
Yeah?
Like deep cuts to your heart.
Oh, damn, word.
You know why?
Jesus.
You know why erasers don't work on your heart?
Because who you choose to love? You can't change that.
I wanted a reason to repost that vine yesterday. I didn't, so I'm just bringing it up now. I love that vine. I love that little flip.
Yo, fuck.
Speaking of little, this weekend I was at
Little
Fool's Gold Day
football.
off. Shout out to BIC. Don't want to say their name.
Gang.
Someone pointed out their name is both ableist and problematic at the
Wow.
same time.
Wow.
Bitches is crazy.
Niggas
you know
just
what
call
I'm saying?
themselves is.
Yeah. Yo, they killed it. Shout out to A-Track and
You know what I'm
Mayhem
saying?
Lauren was out there. Big
Shout out.
Body Best,
Gang.
Leaf, Little Yachty,
You know what I'm saying?
Migos, NYPD shut it down.
Wow.
So you know it was lit.
Cornballs.
You know, we were at capacity.
Smack the face.
Because I am a benevolent god of the Bronx, I
I think you was
provided.
gonna say benevolent. Every time I hear the word benevolent, I think of it in like the PBA sense. So I always think about
Benevolent
cops.
Association?
Yeah, I was like, only cops
No,
can be
I bought
benevolent.
fries for the gang.
Oh,
I bought a
shit.
big bucket of fries and we just all
Damn,
eating
so
them.
you're like Peter Pan and the Lost Boys
I
and
was,
shit.
man. That show felt like Bronx Thanksgiving. Niggas is tearing up. You know when you're like mad smacked and you're like, damn, I want food, but the line was long, and I was
Yeah.
just like, oh, I'm gonna gang through it for everybody. I
You know
came
what I'm saying?
through. Yo,
Shout out to
shout out
the
to Pete
squad.
and everybody.
You know what I'm
Gang was
saying?
out there. Bronx was represented.
Yeezy.
We was out there.
Spit ills.
Little Yachty had the kids rocking.
Yeah.
Do you rock with Little Yachty?
He's got, you know what I'm saying? He's got some songs.
All right. What about 21 Savage?
It's a knife.
All right. Okay. It's another deep cut.
Do you fuck with 21 Savage?
Yeah, I fuck
You
with
like
him.
his shit?
He got that song, so it stunned on my ex or my ex with Future. He's like made that, hit that bitch raw and made her take a Plan B.
Wow.
Listen,
Okay.
he doesn't understand how it works, but he has money for Plan
Shout
Bs.
out to
Who
him.
am I to begrudge him?
Yo, fuck it.
I feel like whoever's
Plan B
getting
like
Future
$50.
the lean is getting 21 Savage the Plan B.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Like he just got him on deck.
Yeah, that's the plug.
Yeah.
There's one guy who gets everybody in rap
What
all
if
the
rappers
pharmaceuticals.
start using Plan B to get high?
Yo,
That's a new wave.
Wow.
The Future leaned off some Plan Bs and
Yo,
shit.
son,
Mad emotional.
I feel wild emotional right now. My hormones.
Oh man.
Wild.
Yo, shout out to Kit Kat.
Shout out to
Apparently
Kit Kat.
they listen.
Yo, shout out to you.
They're sending
You know what I'm saying?
Mero
Wild diabetes infection.
they're sending him a box of Kit Kats.
Yo, shout out to y'all.
So we know when Mero has to get his leg cut off.
You know what I mean?
Who to call
Kit
off.
Kat. Kit Kat also sponsored that.
Okay.
I live tweet my surgery.
Get surgery. When you're 400 pounds, we have to knock the wall out of your house in Paramus to get you outside. And your
jump-
kids are crying.
Niggas gotta chop off my gangrenous foot. I'm Snapchatting this shit like, yeah, I'm bad emojis. Yeah.
Why is daddy's leg like a cylinder? All right.
I'm laughing now because Victor got me convinced that the medical advancements
It's not
that are
gonna happen. It's
come
not gonna
in the next
happen.
like 20 years are gonna be so wild that I could just do whatever I want right now.
You're not. Listen, that we've talked about
Victor's
that.
like, yo, they're gonna do a head transplant in 2017.
We've talked about this
Niggas
so
ain't
many
ready.
times. And no, you have to eat better. All right. They're gonna send you a box of Kit Kat, and you're gonna eat them all
I
at
am.
once.
In one night.
And your pancreas is gonna be like, nah, I give up. No
One night
mas. I'm done here.
Yo, my pancreas is like fucking Game of Thrones reference incoming. It's
Oh,
like
here we
Jon
go.
Snow in the Battle of the Bastards. When everybody's coming, it's Jon Snow Dolo with the sword. That's my pancreas, nigga. Fighting mad sucrose and fructose and shit. Just fucking everything up.
The white person you hear giggling is from Hypnotic. Announce yourself. I cut you off in the beginning. She couldn't help it. He made a Game of Thrones reference. She was like, I gotta get in on this.
It's like, yo, it's lit. Yeah.
I'm Megan.
Yeah.
Megan in the house.
Huh?
Gang. She's from Hypnotic.
Give me one AKA. Megan AKA what?
Diamondstein.
Wow.
Yo,
Gang.
yes.
And that's her real name.
That's a real name.
Swag levels.
All right.
Astronomical.
She's out here with
You know what
us.
I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? She's
Come down
sipping
to
her coffee.
publicist.
She's just laughing at stuff.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
There's a lot of shit.
A lot of shit. So Kit Kat's
life.
in that. Also, someone sent a package.
Yo, he's
here
gonna
today.
open the shit right now.
The package has all my nicknames on it.
Wow.
It's sent to Red Bull Studio. It's from Atlanta. All right? Atlanta, 33. I don't want to say the person's address.
Okay,
we also
no, yeah.
been blowing up people's government names
Yeah,
and
yeah.
home addresses, which is whack. I don't want y'all getting like, what do you call it? Swatted?
Oh yeah. Yeah, is that
All
what it is?
right. What is this? Is this a heartfelt letter? Wow. Okay, it's a lot.
Okay.
Oh, she was here at Diazology. Oh, she came to Red Bull Studio.
Oh shit, yo.
Yo, shout out to her.
what
She
up?
made the Mecca. Everybody else, you need to come down to 220 West 18th Street.
That's right.
Come visit. There's stickers here.
Shout out to homie I just seen outside. I don't know your name, but you was standing outside.
And she sent some T-shirts. Aw.
Yo.
That's cool.
Shout
Good
out to
on
you.
you. See, this is why I fuck with the Bodega Hive because, well, they listen to this, so that helped a lot. It'd be weird if I
important that you
didn't. One day I won't. One day I'll just dress in all black and I won't make eye contact when I live in Calabasas and
do
just
that.
I live in Tiger's old mansion that was foreclosed on and I buy it for like cut rate property.
Yo, that'd be foreclosed. I was looking at that. Actually.
Yeah,
I was
at foreclosed
looking at
houses.
cribs.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's you rolling a dice because you can't look inside the crib.
Oh, you can't?
You go to an auction and you just buy the crib. There's a picture of the outside. You're allowed to, I guess, walk around the outside, but you can't actually enter the house. You know what I'm saying? So It could be 20 dead bodies in there. It could be beautiful.
Would you move your family into a house where 4 people have been murdered?
It depends on if it has an in-ground pool or not. And the
interesting.
mudroom got to be on pizzoing.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
So that doesn't matter at all.
Not at all.
All right,
I'm from the
cool.
Bronx, B. I'm sure there's been somebody murdered on my block.
It's,
You know what I'm saying?
pretty fair of you. That's
You know what I
pretty
mean?
fair of you.
I respect it.
Okay.
Victor just dropped a brick.
Just doing all types
Dropped a
of
brick of
excellent
heroin.
stuff over here. Did you see Usain Bolt
Yo.
was caught out here with the hose?
Oh, yeah? In Brazil?
Yeah.
Yo, everybody went to Brazil's buying pussy. I'm sorry. That's
You didn't
what
see
happened.
that?
I didn't see that. He's out here. Yo, shout to Usain Bolt because he's kept his nose clean. You know what I'm saying? Literally and figuratively. You know what I'm saying? I don't think he was ever involved in no doping shit. I don't ever think he was involved in like doing nothing crazy, right?
Yeah.
Am I bugging? He's never like thrown his girl down the stairs or done something crazy
I
unforgivable.
mean, I don't know that.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I never
His
heard
girl
of it, is
seems
all I'm
nice.
saying. Yeah.
You know, she's very respectful with her Instagram photos.
Okay.
Damn. This doesn't work if you don't. All right. Next topic.
Wait, no, wait. So, no. You got to explain to me what happened. Shut there.
I don't have time for this. This girl, he was with a Brazilian chick.
He bought
met her
pussy.
in the club. I don't think he bought it, but like she put him on WhatsApp, like a picture of them cuddling and shit.
Wow.
But
But
his
was it
girl
serious
down
or was
there.
it just him hugged up in the club?
Nah, the way they was hugged up was like the eyes was red. You know what I'm saying? He did. They said he did the cornball thing, where like he did the point to prove it was him. Like
wow.
We're gonna have to make up like a Bodega Boys thing, so when people meet us, they'll know us and shit.
Niggas just look at you in the eyes and you just gotta be like, fuck Wiz Khalifa!
That'll work.
Mix Pac!
Oh shit!
That works every time. Don't say that shit to me if you see me talking. I'm not playing. I'll fucking smack you.
Do people say that happened?
Nah.
No.
But imagine you run up on me. I'm with my fucking 3-year-old son and you
I
just
don't
scream
think
fuck
anyone.
Wiz Khalifa
I
in my
don't
face.
think anyone would do that.
I don't think so either.
Everyone
but you never
approaches
know.
respectfully like a bear.
I respect y'all. I love y'all. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the 2 girls in the mentions today. Yeah, shout out to y'all.
Wow, Mero.
Smack.
Smack City. You know who died?
Don't tell me.
Aaliyah died 15 years ago.
Slam dunk. You niggas thought it was gonna be Prince? Nah.
Nope. No, she died
Out
15
here.
years ago today.
Today?
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn.
R.I.P. baby girl. Baby
Right.
girl.
If she was still alive, would she be making wash music? What would she be making
She
now?
would be making straight sandal music, I think, for barbecues.
Like, what is that?
Like chem type shit.
Yeah?
I think she would go back into that and be like, yo, you got a beautiful voice, sister. You can sing and be positive and not sing about smashing and shit.
All right, Mero.
You know what I'm saying? You don't think so?
I don't know.
What would Aaliyah be doing right now if Aaliyah was
I guess
alive?
working with Neptunes or some shit.
What are you talking?
Or Timberland. No, she'd still be working with Timberland. Like, she'd be making like hits.
Yeah? Timberland
Yeah.
puts too many baby noises in his music.
I don't think that's a legit. I don't think that's a
He got
legit
mad
complaint.
songs with baby voice.
That's his thing, though.
I'm not.
All right, because you got kids.
Tell me about yeah, exactly. That's probably I hear it too much. But tell me about like shooting guns and shit and do a hard snare.
You know, you can't listen to that. You can't listen to that in a car with your kids.
Absolutely, I do. They love it.
I'm gonna call one day. I'm gonna call like children's
Charles,
services on you.
Well, I'm gonna be in Jersey, so it's gonna be Dyfus.
Dyfus.
You know what I'm saying?
Can't wait for them to take your kids away. You just be crying on the news and shit.
Yo, they take my kids. I don't know why I turned.
They're gonna have the quote. They're just gonna have your name, the Kid Mero in quotes. Your neighbor's gonna be like, I don't know what he
The
does.
graphics is just as the deadbeat. Don't say entertainer or nothing. Damn, that's foul. Why you wanna do me like that?
Nah, that could be like a little vacation for you and your wife while the kids
to
are
take
away.
the kids away?
Yeah,
Damn, but then they go to foster home and shit. You never know.
they get lice.
Yeah, I don't want my kids to get lice, bro. I got lice at the yard. Motherfuckers had to shave my hair. I was so tight. Niggas had to shave my head, dog. My grandma was picking lice on my head. That was real life. Y'all don't know about that. That's third world shit. You know what I'm saying? Even though that's a fucked up term, we don't use that term.
How'd you get lice?
In DR. I was running around with a bunch of little dirty kids, man. Niggas got
Wow,
lice.
man.
Yeah.
Now
I was
I
out
feel-
there running barefoot and
I
shit.
feel
dog.
itchy now.
Yeah. Yo, shout out to everybody who grew, like you was in New York, but your parents took you to you know what I'm saying, the motherland every summer, and you had to spend out there and slum it for the entire summer. You know
All
what I'm
right,
saying?
that's fair.
You know what I'm saying? I did that shit in a built character, and it was dope, and I respect it. Shout
Are
out
you
to my
gonna send your
parents.
kids out there
Absolutely.
so they could get Zika?
Hell yeah. You know what I'm saying? Build that immunity up, so then they come back. They're probably immune to Zika, to be fair. You know what I'm saying? I can't get Zika,
Why not?
because I'm immune to it. It's in my genetic code.
All right. This is the hypnotic episode. Hypnotic is just like, yo, like this is the week. It's not what we came for.
If Hypnotic paid for me to pull up from 60, I'm gonna do it. Holla.
Oh man,
It's your boy.
you hear this? I'm enjoying some Hypnotic. 10:34 a.m. All right, it's not my first time drinking Hypnotic at 10:34 a.m.
Nah, it's definitely not.
Let's be clear.
This is old hats. For Desus.
That's that flavor brings back memories.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh man,
It's like,
Damn.
I smoked a 99-cent blunt wrap the other day, and it really took me back. Like, damn, I remember struggling like this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
nah, this used to be the move, man.
Yeah. You know what I'm
This used to be the
saying?
move.
Yeah.
Bringing it back.
Yeah.
We are
Crazy.
bringing it back.
Summer's winding down. You guys spend the dog days in front of your building with no shirt on, drinking Hypno
There you go.
in the cooler.
And there's different recipes out there.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? We can't actually use the names of brands.
You know what I'm saying?
She's nodding. She's saying it's
She's
true.
like, yo, you good?
Because
Proceed.
but if you have like a blueberry flavored energy drink,
Yeah.
and you mix it
Throw a little cognac in there
with
too.
Hypnotic,
Yeah.
it looks like the Dirty Sprite.
It does. Yeah.
It looks like the Dirty Sprite cover.
Yeah. And
So
then you throw a little something else that's very overproof in there and have
All right.
yourself a
See?
very nice day. You know what I'm
okay,
saying?
see, there you go.
See?
You don't gotta take it too far.
There's two versions. There's Dirty Sprite 2 and there's Dirty Sprite 2 with the commentary. You want the commentary because you want Future being like, guys.
You can even get through that. Oh my God, Mero, this is an intervention. This is an intervention sponsored by Hypnotic. If you're getting an intervention and it's not for drinking,
Yeah.
you can have drinks there to take
absolutely.
the edge off.
You know what I'm saying? Light refreshments.
Light refreshments. You want people to be comfortable when they read you the letters. Like, yo, Grandma Joe, your heroin addiction ruined my birthday. And another thing, you just start roasting her.
Yo, this bitch right here, man.
Yo, remember that time when she shit on herself and she got locked up? Still my favorite auntie. I love you.
Yo, I love you, man. Yo.
Oh shit.
Damn, I seen you top a dude off on the 9 bus. That was crazy.
That was
like, yo,
wild.
that's DD.
Can't believe you put your teeth in the seat next to you.
Wow, that's so ill.
Giving that straight gum action. Oh man.
He was holding a paper transfer. It was back in the days.
She came through the back door, then he came through the back door.
Wow!
Wow. All right.
I was even problematic. Like, that wasn't even problematic.
That wasn't even problem. You know what? We say high level problematic stuff. You know what I'm saying? Cheers.
You know what I'm saying?
As we drink. That wasn't problematic. Here's what was problematic. Leslie Jones got hacked this weekend.
Yo, that's fucked up.
That was
Shout out
fucked
to
up.
Leslie Jones. Yo, I'm volunteering both of us. I don't even care if you're on board or not. Because you're
Okay.
on,
All right.
to go on tour with Leslie Jones and fuck people up who is talking shit. We will help you jump everybody that's talking shit one by one.
That's wild though, because it wasn't just her nudes. It was like her fucking driver's license and passport picture.
See, that's fucked up.
That's some hate in your blood shit.
That's fucked up.
You know what I'm saying? That's like
Yeah.
people really got the feet. Twitter comes for everybody. That wasn't just Twitter. That was like
That's like some corny
4chan and
hacker.
other
Yeah,
stuff.
Yeah. That was
That's
other
wild,
shit.
man.
Let Shorty live, man. She's
Let her
getting
rock,
bread,
man.
yo.
That's wild. Like she worked for like 20 years doing stand up and stuff, and like she's finally cooking.
Yeah.
And you got some hating ass little weevil ass
Yeah.
nigga
Shout out to her,
somewhere
though,
like
because-
sniveling their teeth and leaking nudes.
emails.
Fucking worms. Anyway, I know that she's okay because she comes from the world of stand up and motherfuckers roast you constantly in stand up. You know what I'm saying? Audiences are very brutal. They're very mean. They say foul shit to you in person in your face.
Well, I feel like this is different.
That's very different.
It's different because I even had an account tweeting her photos at me yesterday.
Different type of resilience.
Like, like she has to put up with that. Damn. She's whack.
She's whack, yo. Shout out to you, yo. Hold it down.
Hold your head, yo.
Yo, wipe your tears with hundreds.
True,
what
she
I
just
mean?
got the check from the ghost. She'll be all right.
You know what I mean?
She'll be all right.
Wipe your tears with hundreds,
Like,
right? You know what I'm saying?
I'm sorry you had to go through this, but your bank account looking right,
Your
ma.
shit is looking right.
Okay.
This shit is in emojis. Nigga, it's not even in numbers. It's
Okay.
just like the whoa emoji.
Like, whoa. Go to the ATM. It's like, hey, guys, come over here. You got that bank account level where the bank teller
on.
tells another bank teller to come through.
Yo,
like,
yo, bring the shit with the handcuff on the briefcase,
That's
dog.
wild.
Yo, can I scan your eyeball, ma? You know what I'm saying? Very high levels.
You want that in hundreds of thousands. See? I never had that.
Is there a $1,000 bill?
Yeah.
There's a $1,000 bill.
Yeah.
No, there is not a $1,000
Yes, there
bill.
is.
Now this nigga's doing the Harry Tubman shit again.
What?
Where he's making shit up.
What, freeing slaves? Is that what I'm doing?
No, wait, was Harry Tubman? You made him some wild fugazi shit about Harry Tubman? Like, yo, Harry Tubman was like marched with fucking Bernie Sanders or some stupid shit like that?
it wasn't Harriet Tubman.
Who was Frederick Douglass, I think?
It was Frederick Douglass. Do you remember?
Fucking guy.
Shouts to the sponsor. Hypnotic since 2001.
How you doing over there, Miss Hypnotic? You hanging in there? Yeah. She's just there like, yo, I just came for the commentary.
She's like, she's taking mad deep swigs of coffee though.
She's drinking coffee, but we're drinking Hypnotic.
You know what I'm saying?
It's good. It's blue.
You know what I'm saying?
You know?
Bluminati.
Bluminati out here. Gang, gang. Bluminati. There's people in jail right now, and the last thing they did was have a cup of Hypnotic.
That's real.
And they've
that's
been in jail
most
since
fond
2001.
memory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They just, every now and then in their cell, they're just licking their lips like, damn,
man.
I used to have it popping.
I remember that blend of
Niggas is making
juices.
pruno in their cells, but they just can't get the recipe right.
Yo, Julio, papi, remember back when we had this shit on Smash, papi, huh? Remember
kilo.
that, Jamel, huh? Remember that shit, man?
So you know what? We're enjoying the Hypnotic for you. I feel like we're skirting the line of what they said we can and can't talk about.
They knew what time it was.
But they know what time it is.
You knew what it was when you
know what it
signed
is.
up.
Come on, Ma. You seen the dog filter. You knew I was no good. Yo, the infant Yeezys came out yesterday.
Oh, infant Yeezys.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
The baby size Yeezys.
Wow. Is
Guess who?
Is there a wild market for these?
Yes, there is. They came out. They're $130 each.
Oh, yeah, that's it?
The resale, though, is going to be like $700 each.
Man, fuck.
Guess
man.
who copped both pairs?
You did. You fucking maniac.
Right here.
I hate this guy. This
Right.
guy has no
fucking
children.
Here. I have no kids. I have both pairs. I feel like that's the universe trying to tell me something.
And he'll sell them shit to me for like $1,500. He's like, yo, my nigga, yo, honestly, I'm giving you a deal.
I was thinking about that. I was like, do your kids have a birthday coming up?
I should know this immediately off the top of my
Damn.
head. No.
No?
March and June. Yeah. Or 2 June
I would have
babies
just
and
gave
one
them
March
to you
baby.
for free, but I guess that doesn't work out.
Oh, man. I mean, they'll grow into them.
No, I'm just putting them on the shelf for my daughter and my son. Listen, they're coming in May.
Okay.
I just got
Your kids?
Yeah.
What?
Shout out to my secret family.
Yo!
They're getting their citizenship papers. They come from Mississauga. So
Shout out to Jada Finch.
when you see me on the BX31, BX39
God.
yelling at a kid to stop spinning around the pole like a stripper. Barrington, sit down!
Sit down!
Barrington, sit down! Don't make me get up! That's me. And I wish for my day party days, and they'll be over. Why? Because I bought Yeezys, and now I want kids to put them in. Now I'm flipping them shits. Fuck that.
You can flip them.
You gotta flip them. That's all I gotta do. I'm surprised I got them. So
You still have the Pablo merch?
I have Pablo merch too.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm out here.
You didn't flip it? Yeah.
I didn't flip it. I'm gonna wear it to the concert. Concert coming up.
Oh, shit. True.
True.
What is that? What's happening? Is it like a...
You're so lost right now. Mero looks like when little kids get lost in the department store and they can't find their parent.
Yo, son, I'm at the store the other day and I'm checking out, and my son Mero the third is behind me, like 10 steps behind me, and I'm like, yo, let's go. So I start walking. If he doesn't immediately start walking with me, I say, yo, bye, I'm leaving, and then he starts immediately running. So he starts running and he grabs another dude's hand. The dude looks down, he's like, oh, I'm not your dad. And then I see him, I'm like, come here. Yo, he was so embarrassed. Yo, his face was just like pure embarrassment. I was like, damn, I feel so bad. I've never felt embarrassment that pure.
I thought that story was going to go somewhere else.
It was embarrassment. It was pure
I
embarrassment.
thot it was going to be like he went and got lost, but that...
No, he didn't get lost. Nah, yo, if you
I know.
lose a kid
I
in Baby
just
Plaza,
heard
it's
the
quiet for
story.
your baby.
I just heard this.
You might not
That's
find
a disappointing baby story. I feel like maybe I should have a kid because...
You want to lose one?
No, I feel like I had to one up
wanna
your
lose a
stories.
kid?
You're not bringing the heat with the baby stories. How you got 3 kids and you don't be having like
that's
bomb ass baby stories?
That's what I be telling you. I don't like. I can't get too
outta
deep
here.
into it. You know what I'm saying?
Get out of here. Anyway, Giuliani said Hillary got the Zika.
Son did a backflip off the couch. Holla. Landed it. Chris Breezy style. Future wasn't playing, but he did it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mero.
Stuck it.
Giuliani said Hillary got the Zika.
He did not.
He did.
He said that shit in like a
He
fucking televised
basically
statement.
said it.
How
he
the
was,
fuck?
He was like, yo, Google her. Like, there's something wrong with her. Like, she's sick.
Yo, fucking Giuliani tore the warm-up pants off, fam.
He's out
and
here.
just started pulling up. First, it was nothing happened, no terrorist attacks during the thing. Now it's fucking Hillary got Zika. What's next? What's he gonna say next?
Listen, he's trying to
Joe
get
Biden
that.
got AIDS?
He's trying.
That's the next hot take from Giuliani.
He might say that.
Fucking asshole.
Oh, wow. I think if he said that, like, Biden would fight him.
He would. I would
Biden
love to
like,
see that.
Run up on him at a press conference.
Are you paying for pay-per-view for that? I'm paying for pay-per-view.
I pay a pay-per-view for that.
Yeah.
Or I'm not.
Go on the first row
I'll get
.eu or whatever.
I'll get a legal stream. Pay-per-view days are over, man.
It's quiet for pay-per-view. Y'all
Quiet
niggas
for
paid
pay-per-view.
$99 to see
Back in the
Mayweather
day?
run around?
Nah,
you
not
wild.
anymore.
It's quiet. Niggas on
Quiet
the
for that.
internet now.
You know what else is quiet for? Is anyone here still playing Pokemon? You still
Quiet
playing
for
Pokemon, Victor?
I almost deleted that shit this morning.
You playing it right now?
He was playing in the studio.
Wow.
Pokemon Go.
You playing Pokemon?
Gotta catch 'em all.
Nah.
Niggas like, yo, email her boss like, yo, these niggas are wildin'.
Nah, you don't still play Pokemon. I gave up after the second day.
Yeah, I don't care.
There's nothing in the Bronx.
It's the same 2 Pokemon over there. Who cares? If I can't walk down Tremont and catch a wealth of Pokemon, I'm not interested.
A wealth. Wow, look at that comment. That's vocabulary word of the day,
You know what I'm
kids.
saying? Hey.
The BX Academy
You know what I'm
sponsor.
saying? Be
Vocabulary
excellent.
word of the day. A wealth.
Be excellent.
For example, if you're driving down East Tremont at 3 a.m. and you see a lot of hookers, you say, sex workers. You say there is a wealth of sex workers on the street.
That's right.
That's how you use it.
Out here. Right.
Okay.
Do it in a sentence. Write it 5
Or
times.
if you're getting locked up, you say there is a wealth of inmates in this cell. Can I go to the next one?
That's right. You know what I'm saying? You get through intake. I got a wealth of marijuana in my butt. You know what I'm saying? That I'm going to take poop out when I get into the jail cell.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know what I mean?
All right.
Wealth.
Okay, Mero.
WEALTH. I almost fucked that up. Oh, I had to bring it back around the back real quick. Like,
Wow.
whoop, whoop. Chill. If I wouldn't have spelled wealth wrong on the show, I would never be able to look my children in the face again. You know what I'm saying?
Why? Do they listen?
Yeah.
Are your kids bodega high?
I make a call on my phone, I put on speaker in the crib and listen to the kids. Or they listen to me. Yeah. Every time.
Do they listen to the show? I mean,
Yeah.
Oh, Mero.
My son's mobile plays it. It plays everything.
I guess so.
Yeah, it does.
I guess so.
I got an MP3 shit in it. I got an SD card. See, y'all niggas don't know about this new technological shit. There's parents, before, you know how you have the shit, it just plays the music, you pull it and it's like twinkle, twinkle? Nah, dog. They got the shit now that you can hook up to shit and play whatever you want. I used to put my son's bassinet and hook it up to the iPod, or iPhone, I'm sorry, shout out to Apple, and play Waka Flocka for him as an infant. And he loved that shit. It got mad motivated in the morning to do bowel movements and shit. This is all parenting shit y'all niggas gotta know. You know what I'm saying?
All right, well.
You know what I'm saying? Get ready.
No.
Because here it comes.
Nope.
Yeah.
Don't put that evil on me, Ricky Bobby. It's about to be full. It's about to be chunky sweater weather. I'm going to get me a light denim jacket because that's in
He's
right
got
now.
fucking Tim's and
You
the
know I
thing. He's got a Pele. He's like trying it on
man.
already. They can put
think
his air conditioner on high just to try on the Pele.
I think I
in the
might
crib.
start wearing wireframe glasses. I'll get my Idris on.
No.
You know? Maybe some like the Williamsburg, the black framed ones.
No.
Ironic
I'll
ones.
fucking push you down the stairs. when
Can't
we leave
wait.
it.
Can't wait. Go to Fashion Week.
Niggas at Warby Parker.
Yeah.
Buying frames.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think the round compliments my cheekbones?
Do a fucking GQ magazine shoot with Chance the Rapper.
Jumping in the air?
Jumping in the air.
You gotta be jumping in the air.
You gotta jump in the air.
GQ makes every nigga jump in the air when they do a shoot. They're like, yo, stand like this, stand like this, stand like
Here.
this. Now jump in the air.
Here, Jose, here's a trombone.
Hold the trampoline. Yo, jump off this trampoline into this kiddie pool while holding this duck.
Now do it big hands.
Now, big hand, yeah, jazz hands.
Yeah.
Like, what? Niggas made Robert Griffin III do like a fucking backflip into a jello shot.
I feel like
come
he
on.
suggested that
He
himself.
probably did. He
though.
probably did.
Did you see he left
was on
his
his
wife
list. He did.
for a new chick?
He did.
And he already got her name tattooed on his wrist.
Fucking Herb.
Wow.
That's how you see that. Yeah.
You know what? His whole life went downhill once he blocked me on
Listen to
Twitter.
me. If you
Just want to point that out.
As a young person, adult, male, female, does not matter. Cisgender, anything. Non-binary. Everything.
Here we go.
Do your thing and get mad cheeks in your 20s because otherwise you become a wild herb that gets somebody's name tattooed after they smashed the first time. You know what I'm saying? If you temper yourself and you have a wide array of cheeks that you've smashed and then you come into the game, Cheeks is not nothing crazy to you. Cheeks is something crazy probably to Robert Griffin. He probably is looking down at it while he's smashing and shit. Like, he's a cornball. I can see it in his eyes, but he looks at the Cheeks while he's smashing like a lame. Like, yo, this is incredible. He probably tells Shorty, I can't believe this is happening while he's smashing. He's a cornball.
Oh, man. Wow. Wow, Mero.
Yo, listen, I'm smacked, but it's real. Facts.
Straight facts,
you don't think Robert, he blocked you? You don't think he's a cornball?
I mean,
He blocked you probably because you were like, yo, you're a cornball.
I was going kind of hard.
Yeah.
He
So,
blocked
come on.
me when I was like really, really
Niggas
broke.
give me a
I was
wild
going-
brunch side-eye,
I was
drinking
going at him
Hypnotic.
on like a Sunday morning. Like, that's blockable offense. Like, your man's trying to get ready for the football game. I'm like, oh, your wife ain't got no cheeks. Like, I earned that block.
All right.
Very few people who have me blocked on Twitter like I didn't earn it.
Okay.
And then also they're missing out on the gospel of Desus.
That's true.
So, did you see late last night there was a rumor that Creflo Dollar was supporting Trump?
Stop.
Creflo
Well, he's rich.
Dollar.
He's rich.
Creflo Dollar.
Yeah.
But his spokesperson came out and said he wasn't. But if you're giving money to Creflo Dollar,
I mean,
you know, you're an
Dude's
idiot.
name is Dollar.
His name is Dollar. He's letting you know off the rip.
It's very cartoony.
I can't knock him because I'm going to open my church one
You're
day.
not open mega church.
It's going to be lit.
So follow the
I'll
blueprint.
probably endorse Donald Trump Jr. He's doing a lot for the blacks.
His views are more less conservative.
You know?
He's slightly more liberal. That's gonna be your talking point. He's more liberal than his father.
I'm like, oh,
progressive.
aren't you tired of going to Popeyes and waiting for spicy? Are you tired of buying bundles on Instagram and they don't look the way they look in the photo? What the hell do you have to lose? I'll fix it.
I'll fix it.
I'll fix it.
Yaki for everybody.
Are you tired of buying Instagram dresses and they don't look the way they look on Kimmy Couture on you? Huh? Are you tired of getting subtweeted? Huh? I'll fix it.
Yes.
I'll fix it.
Yeah, I love you, Donald Trump Jr. Yo, my nigga, I love you. It's lit. All the send is vote for him. If he comes out with that shit.
Yeah, listen, bundles are important. Bundles lives matter.
Scrubs for cheap.
Scrubs for cheap.
You know what I'm saying?
Daycare center vouchers.
Woo.
Get that single mom vote.
Mm-hmm. He'll kill. He'll crush it. He just got to watch his past mistakes and not make the same missteps.
You know.
Fucking clown.
If Donald Trump loses and there's like a civil war, are you ready to You ready to take up arms?
I'm ready. By take up arms, you mean you get on a plane out of JFK and go to DR? Absolutely.
Oh no, we've been playing the Division. You haven't been ready, getting ready for like civil unrest.
Yeah. You know what it is? I get so smacked when I play Division, fam. It's like another world.
Yeah.
Like I go into another dimension. You know what I'm saying? And I'm here now, Rebel Studios, 220 West 18th Street, A1. You know what I'm saying? And it's different. But yo, that's true. That shit is really prepping you for doomsday, fam.
Right.
Like, y'all better get ready. Smallpox could just come out of nowhere.
Hypnotic. Can we not talk about a race war? Also, shout out to me now calling her Hypnotic. Is that her name? That's your rap name now.
No,
MC Hypnotic in the building.
Young Hypno.
Young Hypno.
You know what I'm saying?
Young Hypno. Hypno. Ooh.
Ooh. Shout out to Young M.A. out
Young
here
M.A.
with the Bizarres. Shorty got.
Y'all saw her
fucking-
rapping.
Yo.
She was with Charlemagne. Shout out to Charlemagne, our
Yo.
brother.
Uh-huh.
With problematic hot takes all the time.
Yo. That Tory
All the
Lanez
time.
interview was very painful to watch.
That what?
That Tory Lanez interview?
Yeah.
Man.
Yo, look that
Because I
up.
like the album.
I like the album. The problem was he went too many skits, dog.
Yeah, it's not 1995, fam.
Dog, what you
I don't want to
doing?
hear a random blowjob in the middle of two dope songs.
And they were really bad skits. They were like, yo, I had to pick up my girl from the other side of Toronto. And this is like, yo, you gonna give me gas money?
Nah, you crazy, nigga? I ain't got no gas money for you.
I gave you $10 last week, man.
Chill, nigga. You sound like Drake.
All right, chill. I'm pulling up to my girl's house now.
Fuck
And then
that,
this was
I'm
like,
outta
I walked up to her door. Like, nah. Tory Lanez. One and done. I'll listen to that once.
here. Yeah.
Ain't nobody trying to listen to that every. And what fucked it up now?
Yo,
like,
I told you what skits holler at your boys.
you know what I'm saying?
You
I'm trying to listen. I'm trying to enjoy the album, and like you trying to work out to it or listen to it in the car.
Right.
You gotta skip the skits.
Yeah.
And now they come
they-
at the end.
Oh, they build-
They're
are they in
not.
the song?
They're not
That's separate tracks?
Separate tracks.
Oh, you can't do that. You,
you
gotta
can't
retract
do that,
the shit, my
dog.
guy.
It's 2016.
Yeah, you gotta retract that.
Come on, man.
Throw the skits on a deluxe edition, my nigga.
Or
Give me-
don't have the skits.
Yeah. Or just don't have
Just tweet the skits or some shit. Make them bonus content on torylanes.com
You know what I mean?
/CGI
That's it.
hyphen bin.
You know what I mean? CGI. You got to throw the S after the HTTP.
Of course, because you have to be protected. You can't put yourself or your web browsing experience at risk.
Don't put me at risk,
Encryption
dog.
is
You
your
know what
best friend.
I'm saying? End to end.
And to end encryption, look out for those man in the middle attacks. I'm looking at the man in the middle. That's man in the mirror, not man in the middle. But all my nerds out there was like, you just know what you're talking
He
about.
made it happen. These is H Desus right here.
Jesus, say Jesus, HP Jesus.
New egg Desus. Got a
Shout out to
terabyte for
Nigga.
you.
I got the terabytes on deck. I got the USB sticks in my butt.
Yo, they got 2 terabyte
Chains.
joints for fucking $70. I think that's a steal. I don't know anything about computers.
That's a steal. That's
Can
a
you help me
steal.
with this?
But you gotta. I mean, if you're gonna, are you using it for a backup solution? Because you need at least a RAID 5 level backup
I
solution.
don't know what any of that means.
I'm just saying. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
I respect it.
That's minimum.
You were looking at me just like this 5 minutes ago. I was like, what is it saying?
I'm talking that IT talk, dog.
I just come out of nowhere and just be like, yo, solid state. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you say that a lot. You use it all the time in
Is
the
it
wrong
from the
way.
80s?
No. Yo, shout out to Ariel from Cleveland, Ohio.
Okay.
It's her 30th birthday on
Oh,
September 1st.
Gang.
She wanted a shout out.
Oh, you turning 30. You're about to be in real adult life.
No, you're not. You're going to think 30 is like your real adult life, and it's not. It's not. Like, you're going to be like, damn, I have to have it all figured out by 30. And you're going to wake up on the morning of your 30th birthday and be like, I don't feel different. I have the same problems that I did at 29.
Damn.
Yeah.
That sucks.
But slowly
You
they're
gotta
going to
do it.
change into other problems. And then you're going to be like more rational than you were in your 20s.
Okay.
So it is a blessing. But then you're going to be like wild horny all the time.
Oh.
But you're also going to be wild picky.
Okay.
So
Women
listen.
enter their sexual renaissance in their 30s.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. You've said this several times.
They're
You love
enlightened.
that term.
You know what I'm saying? I love it.
Every time you say that, I think of like a Georgia O'Keeffe
Yeah.
painting.
Like a blooming flower.
Like a big blooming vagina.
The reawakening of the church.
That sounds so gross and classy at the same time.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Like if I went to the
That's how I
Met
do
and they
it.
were like, "Yo, tonight we're performing the reawakening of the church," I'd buy those little binoculars. I love this. They're doing it in C flat major.
It's the culture is
The
incredible.
oboe solo is to die for.
New York City is nothing like.
Oh, the culture.
Where can you get culture like this?
God.
Anywhere else? Hamilton?
The harps play the clitoris.
Oh my god, it's incredible.
Oh man,
I have orchestra pit seats.
the reawakening of the church.
Yeah, dog. I'm playing the tuba on that.
Listen, let's write that.
Lincoln Center.
How hard could it be to write what are those things called?
Easy.
It's
dog.
classical music,
Yo,
right?
Music is mad stupid, B. It's just a mad lines on the paper, and
Right,
they got the
and the
little shit that
dots.
looks like the thing. I know mad girls that got that shit tattooed. Just throw that shit on there and
We
just
could
do
do it in
it.
a garage band or some
Yeah.
shit. Like,
Come on.
listen. All we gotta do is make something like Hamilton.
That's it.
Hamilton's not gonna be around forever.
It's not.
And someone has to fill the void.
And Lin-Manuel Miranda is too much. He's very like, yo, I'm an artist, so he's not just gonna do a sequel just to get paid.
Yeah, just to get checks.
He's
Us,
not.
on the other hand,
We will.
We'll do anything for a check.
Yo, let's get it.
Shout to Hypnotic. gang. Since 2001.
This nigga's talking crazy out here. He's like 4 glasses in, fam.
Dog, I'm not even. I'm still.
It's like,
I'm
yo,
nursing
it's-
it.
it's like
'Cause
a
you know what?
Sesame Street.
I've never in my life experienced Hypnotic on the radio. No, whoa, dog. I have a heart murmur. I can't be. I can't be mixing energy drinks like that. No, I've never in my usually back in my days of drinking Hypnotic, I didn't have enough money to just have it free flowing like this. So
like a
you
bar
see,
mitzvah?
yeah. So now you see me nursing it and the ice melt.
Because you think this shit is $28?
Yeah, I'm back at Envy. I'm in my all white outfit.
Yo.
Nah, it's lit though. It's good.
shit.
It's opening up the pores.
You know what I'm saying?
This is good.
Niggas got the ice bucket. This shit is
Got
so
shit.
classy, bro.
It
I've
is
never felt
classy.
so classy in my life.
Never?
I mean, with my wedding. Shout out to my wedding.
Aw.
I was mad classy.
How was your anniversary?
Yo, it was mad lit. You know what I'm saying? She was 5 years. Shout out to Heather. You know what I'm saying? Gang. All day. Drinking Hypno. She was actually mad excited. The nigga sent the brolic. Y'all sent those big ass bottles of Hypnotic over. And fucking Heather and fucking her homegirl drank the shit. Shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? They got
Brand
twisted.
T. Listen.
With the kids.
We do not promote stuff we don't actually use.
Nah.
So that's why the Hypnotic thing was like synergy.
Yeah.
Cause we actually fuck with this.
I will get so wasted right now.
Would you?
I don't care.
It's the middle. It's Thursday though.
I don't care.
You know.
I don't got no job.
It's true. We don't. Niggas is floating. Niggas is floating out here.
Please listen to my mixtape.
If you see me in Mero in Times Square, you know what I'm saying? Buy whatever we're selling.
I'm not taking
maybe
the elbow
you buy
head
those
off.
maybe you buy those comedy tickets.
Yeah, you know
all
what I'm
right.
saying? LOL Club.
Maybe if I'm like, yo, Dave Chappelle is
You know what I'm
doing a
saying?
secret performance on
You know
East
what I mean?
Tremont,
You know what I'm
then you
saying?
take my word for it. Just buy these $25 tickets, Taurus.
Maybe you do. Maybe if you see me with the American flag painted on my titties, you take a picture with me and give me $5. You know what I'm
Just
saying?
Mero and Mero some mules, some espadrilles.
You got the Lost Stilts on with the Statue of Liberty hat.
Take
Like,
a picture, Poppy. You don't shave the beard or nothing.
Yo, nah.
Still got the hat on.
Fuck that. Out here.
Got the cheeks out there with the I Love DR tattoo.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh man,
Yeah.
my niggas gotta make money. I've started going through my neighbor's cans.
Okay.
You know what?
It's 5 cents a can.
But if you
you
do the math,
really-
that's 20 cans
For a dollar?
For $1, though.
Damn.
You gotta have like the wild convoy for $10.
yeah.
And then people looking at you, you gotta drive the carts through the
Yeah.
streets.
But think about what
There's
you could do in the
spiders
hood.
in there. Do people even think about that? There's spiders in the cans.
No, that's gross.
Yeah. You gotta
Spiders
shake them
go into
out.
the cans?
Yeah.
What?
It's a dark space.
No, it's fucking disgusting.
Yeah. That's what
Ew.
yeah.
Ew, that's gross. Yeah, I
All
used
that
to
for
fucking-
$10.
Nah, I'm not doing that.
And then you gotta
know
go
what I-
inside the supermarket, and then the cashier giving you mad,
Yeah.
because you smell like
You
beer,
smell, it just
because you
smells.
wasn't drinking, but
Yo,
it splashed on
the
you.
bottle shit is the worst because the bottle shit you got to take it to like a center, not just throw it in the machine. Yo, the joint on Jerome, y'all know what I'm talking about. If you know, shit smells like piss.
Yeah.
As soon as you walk on the block, fam, straight piss, and it's all empty beer bottles. Homies there dropping the ass out of every beer bottle, put them in the
Yeah.
thing like clinkety clank, clinkety clank. I'm like,
Well,
dog,
I mean, the worse your life goes, the more your proximity is smelling like pee.
Damn,
is.
it really is true.
That's a hot take, but it's a true take.
That's a real Venn
all right?
diagram.
The more often you smell pee through your day, you gotta stop and be like, "Yo, what's going on?
what's
in my
going
life?
on in my life?
Like,
My life.
am I do I no longer have a house?
You know what I'm saying?
Like,
What's going on?
Is
this elevator my house now?
all right.
You know what I'm saying?
Am I trying to get seamless ordered to Penn Station?
You know what I mean?
Because listen, that's not a go.
You know what I'm saying?
right.
I got a bag in front of the building.
UPS is not
forever.
UPS is not bringing your Mr. Porter package to Euro 05 at Port Authority.
Yo, come to the Barnes and Noble in Bay Plaza. Nah, no, dog.
All right, get your life together.
Get out of here.
I was working on all of us. We're all riding our My Little Ponies.
That's right.
We are.
You know what I'm saying?
For the
that's a
bronies
scheme.
out there.
Shout out to the bronies. Bronies the dude that want to smash My Little Ponies?
No, bronies are dudes that they like watch My Little Pony and they create a subculture for it.
Oh, shit.
They're like pseudo child molesters, just they don't have the heart for it.
Okay.
So they're just going through the act of it.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
I didn't cross the line, right? Hypnotic? Yeah, they're just weirdos. They're just Reddit guys.
Yeah, I was going to say, you could have just said that.
Yeah,
that's
they
a
got
very concise
They
way
got
to-
nothing
to-
else
to put
going
it.
on.
Yeah.
They got nothing else going on. They're not like making up something or like framing a black person or making like a terrible meme.
Yeah.
Or tweeting out like something for Harambe.
Okay.
Everybody cares about Harambe.
Oh, all of a sudden.
Tweet out.
I think it's with the
Harambe.
name. I think people like saying Harambe
Harambe?
because it makes them feel less racist.
Yeah.
You know what
Did you
I'm
see
saying?
the Cincinnati Zoo deleted their Twitter account because they were getting trolled about Harambe?
Really?
Yes.
Y'all
Every
make
time-
the zoo delete their Twitter? Y'all ain't shit.
But I feel like you gotta hear
The
both sides.
zoo. I just imagine like a zookeeper dude with like a
They
ponytail.
just needed to find a social media manager who had
take
tougher
heat.
skin.
Yeah, that's
you know
true.
what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's not fair because that's like saying Leslie Jones should just thug through it. Like people should not be allowed to be the wild dickhead to you on Twitter, but at the same time, like I think 'cause we've been there since almost day one.
Oh, yeah.
We grew up on it.
On both sides of the coin.
Right.
Being a dickhead on Twitter and also being a dickhead did too. Being a dickheady. You know what I'm saying? On Twitter. You know what I'm saying? That makes sense. Just think about it. You know what I'm saying?
I'm waiting for you to explain that. Like
With like
you'll be a dickhead to people, but you
Yeah, yeah.
also don't allow people to be a dickhead
no,
to you.
like we know because we've been dicks to people on Twitter, but also people have been wild dicks to us on Twitter and still continue to be.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like you have both sides of the coin. It's not like I'm fucking, I don't know, Taylor Swift and I never said anything mean to anybody on Twitter.
That's when you know you really made it, when you just stop fucking with Twitter altogether.
yeah.
Yeah, I can't
When
wait.
when you just don't, that shit is not even a part of your life. You
I just have
wake
an
up like,
intern tweeting out my comedy shows.
Yeah.
Come see Desus Nice in Chattanooga.
that's it. That's it, fam. You
Open
wake
up for
and
Big
fucking-
Ray's Sweet Ribs.
Come on, dog. I wake up in Malibu with no clothes on. Yo, I gotta
Extra
get
show
to,
added
you
at
know what I mean?
8:16 in Memphis. Just a wild specific time.
Fuck. Some Carbondale, Illinois. Like what, nigga? Is that a real city?
At the Tacoma Days Inn in the front lobby near the Biscuits. Sponsored by Hypnotic.
She got 20 different fonts.
I got the wild big lapel. I got the mic and I'm holding it to the camera like, yow!
With the circle sunglasses. Like, yeah.
The flipped up. Doing all his hits. One half of the Bodega Boys.
Yo.
Don't wait. My whole joke is like, don't ask me where Mero is.
The gotta hit both sides tour. Niggas out with the wild buttons on the shit. I respect that.
So I had this girl in my hotel room. I was about to freak it up. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to hit a Desus style.
Yeah.
I'm about to hit a second decade.
Yeah.
So I look at her and I open the door. Now she's sitting there. She got her legs open. And I'm like, oh, I'm going to town. Hallelujah. Oh, yeah. Look, I'm watching my brow. It's looking good. Oh, this is good stuff. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. So then I look at her and she learns to me. And she says, you know what she says? And I hold the mic to the audience. And they're like,
What she
where's
say,
Mero? And that's like my whole act. Just 45 minutes of that. And then, all right, y'all give it up for Cat Williams.
Yeah, can't be worse than Applewood Smoked Bacon guy.
I don't even know. He doesn't exist.
He doesn't exist.
He was. I
Yo,
paid
we can't
$13
find
for
this
a
guy.
limerita, so I know that did not happen.
Dog, if y'all know who this dude is, please, Bodega Hive, assemble. Who the fuck is the guy that opens for Cat Williams that has the Applewood Smoked Bacon joke? That's all the information we have for you. Thank you.
It's a larger black man.
Yeah, he's a fab. Yeah, he wears a fedora.
Did he have a fedora?
He had a fedora on for sure.
I remember.
For sure. Had a
Wow,
fedora on, yeah.
that shit was. People had on fur coats, man. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
People wore fur coats to Barclays Center
Barclays
on a Tuesday
on
night.
a Tuesday night, fam, to see Cat Williams.
I feel like if you can wear a fur coat to Barclays Center on a Tuesday night, you should not be allowed to own a fur coat.
I mean, also,
Where you storing that? You're not storing that in a refrigerator unit.
No.
All right, you just throwing some mothballs in the closet.
Come on.
Throwing it behind your Vanson and
You can turn the
hoping for
shit inside out and
best.
throw it over the couch.
They got the wild plastic, the dry cleaning bag over it.
Come on.
In the back.
This is just a garbage bag.
Oh,
A dry
man.
cleaner bag.
Do you own a fur?
No,
No.
Damn.
Are you in
got no
PETA?
furs.
I'm not in PETA.
Are you vegan?
Vegetarian.
Are you a what?
Pescatarian.
You only
Like
fish?
Bob Marley?
Ooh.
You eat fish?
No, you like dreads and shit, right?
No.
So you only eat fish.
I only eat fish, yeah.
All right. You ever been to City Island?
Yeah.
Oh shit, gang.
Oh, shit.
All right, cool.
Hey.
Can like fillet of fish? Does that count? No.
It depends on the day, depends on the time.
All right.
depends on-
Filet of fish in McDonald's?
Yeah.
That's the official old wash person food.
Well, no, because during Passover, that's when they sell it 2 for 1.
Oh, yeah?
You get it.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
I should know that. Damn.
You should know that. You are a terrible. That's the show we're gonna make for CBS. Terrible Jew, terrible Jew. This is Mero. He's a terrible Jew.
I forgot about Passover Seder, Meshuggah. Oh my God, my mother Judy's at the door.
Oh shit! It's just me trying to help. I'm trying to help you get through your exploits and shit. You just run to be out of breath. Like I lost the Toma. I'm like,
What is that?
what is that? I'm like, I hope you find
Yo,
it.
nigga,
Is it big?
I need the shit with the pointy thing, man.
pointy thing.
The pointy thing to read with. Y'all don't know where it is, bruh.
Like we're just getting wild smacked in the basement. And you're like, oh shit, it's his bar mitzvah.
Oh shit, nigga, Purim Carnival. We about to miss it.
Oh man.
Y'all gotta go win the goldfish.
Well, they're like burning bread, but we like burning money because we didn't misunderstand it. Just throwing stacks and shit. Like,
Yo,
that's a good show.
it is a good show. It's a dope show.
We just needed to make a show that gets at least 250 episodes in the syndication, and that's it.
That's it. What's
That's it.
syndication? 100 episodes?
Yeah, I want to pad it. I wanted to be on. I want to have a show that annoys the fuck out of you.
It's
Where
on
at 7
TBS
o'clock.
and
It's on
TNT?
TBS. It's on Channel 5.
Yeah.
It's on, and you know what I'm saying.
Channel 55.
Ooh.
Shots fired. Damn.
Shots fired.
Yo,
Oh.
Victor in the streets.
Oh, don't
Wildin'.
let Sheldon,
Damn. Stop.
Sheldon hear that. Not the engineer guy, the character.
Okay.
Wait, you said 2.5 Men? Oh, I'm
Wasn't
thinking
that-
Big Bang Theory.
Wasn't that show with Ashton Kutcher?
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn. Yo, there's so many wild whack shows that would just make
Wait,
millions.
doesn't 2.5 Men have Charlie Sheen
It did at the end, right?
in the beginning too?
Took over. for
Yeah.
him. Oh. Right. Damn. My son came out. He got the heavy. He's out here. Damn.
Nah,
But he got those checks though.
He got the checks. He'll be all right.
Yeah, he was good.
Yeah, he could buy the vaccine in Mexico.
Rich niggas
whatever.
can have HIV, fam. You can't be broke though. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? If you got stacks on deck, that shit is just an inconvenience.
Yeah.
It's just an extra pill you got to take. You know what I'm saying? If you're
Pretty
rich.
fuego take.
That's a wild fuego take, and it's also a commentary on society and the pharmaceutical industry. You know
Teach
what I'm
these
saying?
devils.
Teach these devils.
Did you see the price of EpiPens went up?
Yup. That's right.
Yeah.
And you know who needs EpiPens? White people, because they're allergic to peanuts.
It's true.
Conspiracy, man.
It's
White
true.
genocide, man. Open your eyes, man.
They're trying to remove
Open your
them.
eyes.
You know, you could literally do a version of Snakes on a plane
Oh, for sure.
with just a packet of peanuts.
Hell yeah.
With white people, and just open it in slow motion and just watch the particles go through, and it's just like to see people choking up, see the veins popping out.
Look like
That's racist.
Yeah.
That was racist.
It looked like Joffrey when he got poisoned. Oh, Game of Thrones pulling up
See,
50 holla.
you turned it around.
You know what I'm saying?
So if you were a white person, you were offended. You were like, I've never. Oh shit, Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones, see? I brought it back.
Game of
see?
Thrones.
It's like dancing merengue, B. I'll spin you out and you think I'm going to let you go. I'll bring
But you
you
bring
right
it right
back.
back.
You know
You
what I'm
bring it
saying?
right
Hold
back.
you tight
Yeah.
around your waist, ma.
Here, I'll throw you in a bonus one. Remember when they beat up and burned up Omar's lover in The Wire?
Yo!
throw
that was
back
foul.
there.
That was
Yeah,
sad.
that
White
was
people
sad.
cried. I heard white people crying when that happened.
It was rough.
It was audible.
It was unnecessary.
It's like when the Yankees won the World Series and everybody's like, yeah! I heard white people like, oh my God, they got Omar. They love Omar.
Everyone loves. Who doesn't like Omar?
Omar's ill. He's a dope character. He's one of the best TV characters of all time. Fuego take.
That's a fuego take.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a fuego take. I'm sure though,
It's
but
very
like,
layers.
if
A
I
lot of
had your
layers.
list, like 3 of them would be like from Univision. Probably be like that fucking tiger.
Yeah. El Chacal. Fuera! You know what I'm saying? Get you out of here. That's my guy. Yo, if that dude existed in real life, it would be a lot of less whack shit out there. You know what I'm saying? If that dude just came up and if somebody was about to do some
Do
whack
you want to
shit.
tell us who he is? Like we didn't
Chacal?
all grow up in, you know.
El Chacal. You know what I'm saying?
All right,
Just,
well.
you know what I'm saying? Google's your friend, B.
No, sometimes you don't.
Fuera! It's
Sometimes
like
people,
it's like, okay. It's like the guy at this Apollo. It's like Sandman at the Apollo. Then he comes
Okay.
out with the canes like, yo, get the fuck out of here.
All right, see,
Yeah.
that was how I
See,
was
but
at.
now black people's with me, but now white people's like, still don't know what you guys are talking about.
White people know Apollo, right?
Yeah? Yeah,
See,
all right, cool.
See?
All right.
They come on. There's a Red Lobster next to the Apollo.
But to be fair, Megan's a New York white person. New
That's
York white
true.
people is different.
That's true.
They got more. They know more shit.
That's true.
They got the cheat sheet. They be on the subway every day watching people like, oh, that's what Puerto Ricans do, huh?
She knows about Showtime. She's not full of that. She's not. If they're like, yo, do you like to laugh? She's doing the circle around them. You know what I'm saying?
Niggas go Showtime. She
She'd
be
be
like,
like,
headphones
yo.
in.
She's like, nope.
James Blunt.
More like no time. Where they're like, yo, do you care about kids getting? Do you care about abused kids? And you're like, no.
Nope.
You say straight up, nope.
Nope.
Fuck them kids.
You know what I care about? This Young Gleesh mixtape. You know what I'm saying?
Little Yachty, little Yachty.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Lil Yachty.
Hey.
Jinx, you owe me a Coke.
Hey.
That was a Seinfeld reference. Listen, we're covering all the white people bases.
Oh, everything. We're imbued with energy. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
I'm throwing niggas don't even know, B. I got so many words on deck. Victor's like, yo, this nigga know mad words.
You have like a calendar, or is your wife teaching you words in the
No, you know what it is?
in the
When I
morning,
was
like
a
Coco the
kid,
monkey?
True story. When I was a kid, my mom did all the traditional Dominican punishments, like making you kneel on rice and all that shit.
Mm-hmm.
But one of the other things that she used to make me do was write from the dictionary. My grandmother had a dictionary a Funk and Wagnalls dictionary that was literally a fucking.
You said
brick.
this before, yes.
You know what I'm saying? And she
I
used to make me
remember
write the shit out of the dictionary, like write definitions. I used to read that shit, and it's in my brain forever. Mad words.
I see you never got to condom.
Never. I got the prophylactic, and I quit.
Just skipped over that.
This shit is whack.
All right, well.
This shit is on the even number page.
Listen, you got your lotto tickets. You
know what I mean?
You about to buy your house.
That's right. Oh man, I can't wait.
The brand is strong.
Brandon Strong, I got a pool, yo. Y'all not ready for the Snapchat from the pool.
Wait,
B.
whoa.
Woo.
You didn't buy the house yet.
Huh?
You got a pool.
Oh yeah, I mean, probably because house is probably getting copped.
Oh,
you know what I'm
word.
saying? You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Just out here. Y'all get the applause back. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. All right. All right there, buddy.
Yeah. Yo, you know what?
Oh shit, listening party at Mero's house.
Yo!
I'm gonna tweet out his address. Just come through. Or you got just bring a bottle of something. Perhaps a blue liqueur.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You know, something that delights all your senses,
You know what
with
I'm
an
saying?
eye-catching aqua blue color and refreshing blend of natural exotic fruit flavors and premium spirits to make any occasion more fabulous. Anything served chilled on the rocks, straight with vodka, rum, champagne, or added to martinis, margaritas, shooters, or your favorite cocktail for a unique twist.
Exotic.
That was all off the dome.
Yeah.
No, that was actually on the back of the bottle. But yeah, bring a bottle of Hypnotic to, if you tweet at me and be like, yo, I got a bottle of Hypnotic.
Yeah.
And you follow Hypnotic, I will tweet you Mero's new address. And we will show up. We're gonna surprise them. Like,
Yo,
how,
not for nothing, that yard could hold at least like 50 people.
yo, it's
You know what
gonna
I'm saying? At least.
it's gonna be lit. Special performance by White Genocide.
Oh, it's gonna be so lit.
Rapper Santa's
Yo,
gonna
listen.
be there.
And it's right
we're
by the
having
highway.
Wash Fest at Mero's house.
It's about to be lit.
Heather's gonna be like, no, get down from there.
Get the fuck out of here. Are you fucking kidding me?
You can pull, no one can tell.
Yeah,
Listen.
it's true. Oh, that's right. It's blue.
It's blue.
Oh, shit. Yo, just don't eat the ziti.
It's blue, like who's performing at Wash Fest? Blue Cantrell, just added.
Yeah.
She doesn't know yet, but I'm sure she's doing nothing. We also have the guy from Blue, I am blue, I'll be blah, blah, Eiffel 56?
Yeah.
Is that the days? 55, 65? Thank you.
Hey.
right.
Also, Blue Man Group.
Blue Man Group, they're
know
not
what I'm
washed. They
not
sell out every night.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Niggas are still cooking.
Yo, they got lines.
Bruh, what?
The double-decker Taurus trucks go there.
They have a school for young kids.
Yeah.
What?
The Blue Man Group is, listen, people come to New York to see the Blue Man Group, or you can see them in Vegas. They're all over the place.
Yo, shout out to
They're
Blue.
big.
Why am I happy for them?
Because I feel like if this doesn't work out, this whole Bodega Boys thing, we could easily become
Shave
Blue
our
Man
heads and be
groups.
Blue Man.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Just make faces like, just do a Watch somersault on the black spandex. Yo,
I got no shame.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
I'll do that shit all
I'll
day.
do that shit. Splashing paint on tours.
Crazy? What?
I love it.
Splash your paint. I love the paint.
Is this lead based? I just wanted to sit there with like a cloth with turpentine, just wiping her tongue.
Ooh, making mad emoji faces. Bing, boom, dong, gang.
Is that Blue Man Group Africa? What the hell is that? That was from Blue Man Group to Coon Man Group. All right? I feel offended. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't feel the gestations and the lip movements there were necessary. I'm also gone off that Hypnotic, so I might fight someone in here.
That's what Blue Man Group sounds like? Isn't it just like boom, 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 boom? It's not words.
How come Hypnotic and Blue Man Group don't? That's
Collab?
synergy.
You know what I'm saying?
Imagine them like beating on a thing for the Hypnotic, and Hypnotic's just like flying to the crowd and shit. He's getting drunk.
Furrow got funnels. Yo, you gotta do that. See, we just give it.
Listen.
We're now working for PR for the gang.
We gotta start dressing like PR dickheads, like
Yeah.
with Google glasses.
You gotta wear a full
I'm
hump.
gonna wear like a black all white turtleneck with white linens and Birkenstocks.
She got a snap crotch.
Yes.
Yeah, you wear above the chinos.
And I do that weird thing. I don't look you in your eyes. I look you above in your forehead.
Oh, and
So
you're
it's
like, yo,
wild
what's on my head?
It's like wild condescending.
You're like, what
You're like,
the
why
fuck?
won't he make eye contact?
Why don't you?
Yes. And I don't shake
Do I got
hands.
something there?
don't shake hands.
Damn, this nigga's looking at my hair.
No.
Damn. No. Oh, you don't shake hands?
I don't shake hands.
I got into a car accident one time and the cop pulled up and I was like, I went to go shake the nigga's hand. He's like, he looked at my hand. He was like, what the fuck is going on over here?
You're
like,
you
what the
know,
fuck,
I don't
bro?
want to say you're a snitch, but you're a little too friendly with cops.
I'm not friendly with cops.
No,
That was precisely was a fuck cop
No,
story.
because remember we were at Schnippers. And like there was that protest going on, and you were like, "Yo," you went to the cop, like, "What's going on?" I don't know if you think you're your white wife or something.
You asked me to ask what was going on.
I didn't think you were gonna do it.
Literally,
You went over there like
you were like, "Yo, what's going on over there?
What's going on over there?" The cop was like, "I don't fucking know."
But it was like one of those Puerto Rican cops that you could tell is like probably just does it for free parking.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? She like Shorty would look like she listens to Mad Don Omar.
she's out there.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't knock her hustle.
Danza culuro. That's the joint.
Okay,
You don't. That's not your shit.
No.
that shit ring off. You get hype. Shut up. Nigga. You was at Carnival. That shit came on. You was like,
A little more hypnotic,
jump on
yeah.
wave, jump on wave.
a little more hypnotic, yes. A little more hypnotic. I'll be out there in the streets. You know what I'm saying?
I'm saying no shirt.
Do you
on.
see a man, Derrick Rose? He said the Knicks can win every game
Absolutely.
this season.
That's how you got to go into thinking about
That's
it.
how you
I'm
gotta
not
go
mad
in.
at him.
I'm not mad at him.
Come on, fam. Every time we leave the studio, I'm like, yo, this is the best shit in the world.
Yeah.
You niggas stupid. This is the best shit ever. The most arty art. Y'all ain't getting shit like this. So that's how you got to feel about your game. Well, Derrick Rose, if he imagine he went in there, he was like, yo, I think we could win like 30 games this year.
Right.
Everybody be like, yo, I can't believe he would say, what a loser. So that's how you got to do. Shout out to Derrick Rose, man.
Shout out to Derrick Rose,
Hell
MVP.
yeah. You know what I'm saying?
King of the city.
Yes. Started the MVP chant at Summer 16 tour.
That's
FYI.
right. That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You boys.
I don't want to complain. I'm glad we went.
Uh-huh.
Drake brought out D Rose the night we were there. The next night he brings out like all the Dipset.
Yeah.
I think I beefed about this already, but just want to throw that out there again.
Just reimagine y'all. You know what I'm saying? Reawaken you. That wasn't cool. Shout out to Derrick Rose, but I would rather have seen like French Montana come out and do no shopping or some shit.
Yeah, well, you know what? We gotta take what life gives you.
That's true.
You know, we've been blessed so far, right?
Oh man.
We got free Hypnotic on
Man,
deck.
So much.
Got a radio show.
I mean,
A pod. The art is it?
art. It's art.
That's what the millennials call it.
This shit's gonna be in the Guggenheim. Y'all niggas, yo, shout out to every other podcast. Y'all cool. But this shit's gonna be in the MoMA, nigga.
Yeah.
When we're done with this shit.
Like that.
FYI.
We're gonna have that
With the
problematic.
headphones, the mad whack headphones. You gotta pay $5
gotta
to
sit
use
there
them.
and just sit there. People just gonna sit there and you're gonna see like a tear come out their eye.
Yo, this is so fire.
So beautiful.
Oh my god.
Oh, they were so visionaries. Hopefully in the future someone makes a cult off of this. Like a doomsday cult.
Oh, that'd be lit.
Yeah.
They follow all the 10 principles of the hive.
But like
or
some
shit.
Jamestown shit.
That'd be lit.
Yeah.
I don't even know what Jamestown is. They all kill each other, right? The Jamestown massacre. Damn, that was crazy.
Yeah. They just have
Yo,
big,
you gotta be mad charismatic. Oh nah, chill. They kill babies.
they killed like a congressman too. Like it's
Never
was lit.
plays when we see babies. A congressman.
Yeah, they bucked at him at the airport.
Yeah.
People don't know. A lot of black people died of that Jamestown shit.
What the fuck? Chill.
Yeah. Because he went down there to see, because people was like, yo, could you go down there to see what the fuck is going on?
And everybody got smoked.
He went down there and he was like, they were like, nah, shit was cool. And then the people was like slipping the notes, like, yo, shit was not cool. So as the plane was taking off, like they riddled the shit with bullets.
Wow.
And that's when they started the shit. And they got the tape of like him like, drink up. And like, yo, mothers, feed your babies first. And you hear like the babies crying and shit. And then they have like the flyover and it's just dead bodies everywhere. Dark Desus is back. Misery.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Imagine they played that shit when they were shooting the shit up. Like, "Wah, let the bodies hit the floor.
The camera's zooming in and out.
Yeah, wah. Chill.
Oh, problematic light is on.
Damn.
Oh man,
Blinging.
But what apparently like they used there was like grape Kool-Aid.
just
Was
know-
it?
I'm sorry, guys. I
That
just
they
know
mixed
that.
the poison in with. So
Wasn't that Jim Jones that did that?
that's Jim Jones. The, same,
is it-
the
is it
guy's
Jim-
name was Jim Jones.
okay, yeah,
No
okay.
relation.
Yeah. Capo status, yo, drink this Kool-Aid, nigga.
So you know,
Imagine Jim Jones actually trying to now. Nigga can give
I
you
mean, he
waist
should have
trainer
came in
Kool-Aid.
with that. Yes.
It would have been nice.
But you know what the thing is? It wasn't Kool-Aid. It was the knockoff Flavor Aid. So niggas even to go out on the
Kool-Aid
premium
was like,
shit.
yo, don't lie on me.
Kool-Aid was like, yo, listen, Kool-Aid ain't busted that wall like, oh yeah. Like he was like, oh shit. He backed up like, yo.
The
He was like-
Flavor Aid picture came through like, I guess.
He came through like, yeesh.
Y'all
Yikes.
drinking?
Yikes.
How much y'all buying?
Yikes. I was always so disappointed because my mother, that was right by the thing, and my mother would be like, oh, you get 10 packets for $1. I'm like, you know why?
You know why? Because it
There's
tastes
nothing
like
in
dirt.
there.
Because it tastes like fish tank rocks, Mom.
It tastes like
why.
poverty.
That's why.
Feels like you chip something off the asbestos wall
That's
and
right.
put it in water.
Every time I take a sip of this, another dream in my brain dies. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to our parents though for struggling.
I ate Chef Boyardee.
a lot.
Whoa! I just bought Chef Boyardee, so let's slow our roll, fancy pants over here.
I'm looking down my nose at you. Chef Boyardee ravioli.
Listen, what happens at the bodega at 4 a.m. stays at the bodega at 4
You ever
a.m.
ate that shit out the can.
All right,
Keep it on
sometimes
it.
you go in there and Poppy's like, yo, they have to clean the fucking grill for breakfast in the morning and they can't make hot sandwiches. And you want something hot, so you buy Chef Boyardee. And yes, it's next to the antifreeze, so you got to check the fucking expiration date.
It's just the half-life of the antifreeze plays off the half-life of the Chef Boyardee and extends the shelf life. That's why
they don't have any kind of Dewey Decimal system or any kind of like scheduling system inside the bodega, so it'll just be like antifreeze, kitty litter, diaper, Botanica candle,
That's it.
Chef Boyardee condoms.
It's an alphabetical
douche,
order, but it's in Spanish.
Motor oil.
Yeah. Douche and motor oil.
Just right as soon as you walk in.
We still use the douche until I don't know. I have no place to comment on this. I feel like, but what is douching?
We have
is bad,
we have
right?
a woman here.
Douching is bad,
but
right?
I don't even have to. It's douche. You know, you don't have to listen. A woman's vagina, a vagage, as the kids millennials call it. Vajayjays, yes. I read that in Refinery 29.
Shut to them.
No, it's like a self-cleaning.
eyebrow
It's like a
tutorial.
self-cleaning oven. Irregardless,
That's right.
and that's a real word.
Okay.
No matter how you feel about the cleanliness of your vagina, I implore you, my queens out there, do not use douche from the bodega.
No. Nah.
I don't know. It's probably not Summer's Eve. You gotta look close. It's probably like Summer's Even.
It's a shorty smoking a menthol in the front of this shit, like yo, fuck out of here.
So this shit's called Autumn's Dusk.
Chochol. Yo, I got chochol. I'm about to douche.
Clean
Shorty about
morning.
to come through.
Just a chick with her leg up, like yo,
Yo, let's get this shit over
shit is
with.
free. Shit is fresh. With the clapping emoji.
OD fresh, yo.
Keep it clean. My box smells good.
Oh man.
Oh shit. Yeah.
But yo,
so-
shout out to all the vaginas out there, you know what I'm saying, with GPS. You know what I'm saying?
So
Good pussy sense. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? There's a natural see, but we're sex positive show. Cause see, young niggas will be like, yo, you pussy stink. That's not how we do things over here.
Speak on it.
You know what I'm saying? A vagina has a natural smell, that's a beautiful thing. And if you're a grown man, you appreciate that shit.
a little musk.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Like
Shorty been sitting all day, you know what I'm saying? She been sitting, working
out.
You know
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
She's
she
driving
hit the gym.
her Honda Accord.
Took the light shower at the gym because she's bashful. You know what I'm saying? So it's not she didn't really get in there, but there's a little bit of something there. But it's you don't give a fuck because when you get home, you just tear that shit up. I'm saying, shout out to my niggas out there, experienced bunners out there.
Experienced bunners.
You know what I'm saying? No, the young bunners fall back.
Wow.
Go ahead, hold your nose, you herb.
So Mero likes a little light funk.
No, I mean,
Yeah,
natural. Like,
a little
I've been
natural.
living life.
Yeah.
Smell. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit don't gotta be smelling like fucking Jolly Ranchers down there. You know what I'm saying? I don't expect that because you know what I'm saying? We adults. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? Just
I
think
feel
about
you.
Choach. I'm thinking about Choach.
Yeah, and excited as you talk about this. Like, yikes.
I'm going home after this, so you know what I'm saying? I got no job. Niggas been smashing nonstop.
Oh wow, this is gonna end so badly.
It's gonna end with me coming to the office
No
like,
one
yo.
got dick like an unemployed nigga. That's how you get your life fucked up. You're just sitting there, you're watching Jerry Springer.
Yeah,
next thing you know, he pulls a panties to the side.
You know what I mean?
Stop. Come on. Stop. I want to watch this TCI commercial.
The kids don't know the rules.
Stop. Hurry up.
Yo, it's the other room.
Hurry up. They're coming back with the test results. Listen, the last thing you want to do is be smashing it while like the shorty runs the backstage.
Oh man, run backstage.
So you gotta stop. Like yo.
Oh
shit! I told you that wasn't.
See,
I told you it wasn't the father.
Yeah,
Look at the
looks mad
nostrils.
trustworthy.
Nah.
Yeah, nostrils is a strong genetic trait.
Yeah, when you unemployed, you could just lay up in the bed all day, just being shiftless, smoking
You know what I
weed.
mean? Smoking weed.
And you feel bad because you know you're messing up that girl's life. You know she should be at work.
Absolutely.
She called out even though she has no more sick days.
Yep.
And now you just,
now she got to go into work the next day and she's stressed. She's texting you, yo, that's so crazy. Yo, my boss is so tight of me.
Oh my God, there's so many emails.
Yo.
There's so many. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to take late.
It was worth it though.
Yo,
I got a
come back on
UTI.
Wednesday. Listen, it all happens. It happens. Hypnotic knows what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Hypnotic knows what it is.
Yeah.
Sometimes, listen, you're like, yo, I'm gonna just meet you for a quick drink on Sunday night.
That's it. UTI
Next
was
you know,
worth it.
Sunday night turns into after hours Sunday. And shorty's looking at her watch like, yo, if I get home at 3, I can sleep till 6. then I can still go to work.
Yeah.
And
She's like counting the hour in the
she's doing her
Uber.
thing.
And
She's
shit,
like,
yeah.
if I go right to bed,
If I fall right
and then
asleep?
that turns to, you know what? I have an extra outfit at work. I go right to the
She's counting,
office,
like-
and then she's like, damn, I'm in Bushwick.
3 to 4, 4
Fuck
to
it.
5, 5 to 6, 6:30.
can't
The train,
even.
the G train be coming at like every 15 minutes. I should be good.
The worst is like when she's like, you know what? I'm gonna call
Look
it.
at the zit.
I'm gonna call it to this meeting. Be quiet. And you just you're naked in the bed next to her, like you
Being
got
an
your dick
asshole.
out, and she's like, well, if you look over the quarterly report, you just play with her nipples.
Touching the phone and
Such
shit.
a shit, like,
stop.
come on, my boss, stop fucking playing around.
Stop. Nigga, you want me to get fired? Stop. Apartment's in my name, stupid. Oh my gosh, fuck up. She's getting this zit, nigga.
Yeah.
That's straight.
Megan, what was Megan? Is your phone on mute? What was that?
Sure, he getting his dick, nigga. She's getting a love dick. What's going like, excuse me?
What was that? There's some feedback coming on on the call.
Hey, I'm hearing somebody saying she's getting this
You are the first caller. You are the first caller to get this dick.
Look at this dick.
Yeah, we're gonna rethink the policy of calling in for.
Getting his dick, nigga. Yo, your second's gonna be
She
furious.
just come back to
Don't
the
do
office the next day, and people just looking at her like,
Heard you were getting that dick last night.
just mention you on the Slack.
Boss that never spoke to you ever in life. Oh, I heard you were getting that dick last night. Hey, huh?
Dak.
Or as you would say, that zick zaddy. So you gotta say with the Z, right?
Now shout out to all my working chicks out there.
Yeah, you know what I'm
Even if you
saying?
hate your job,
You know what I mean?
and that's why you called out for dick.
That's really it.
That's it.
Yo, Shorty needs, his job is stressful. She needs to reprogram with the long zit.
Listen,
You know what I'm saying?
treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself.
Woo.
You could go to Soul Cycle, or
Yeah.
I mean, you know,
Get this long soul cycle dick.
you could sit upon the skyscraper.
Wine pon me cocky. Wine pon it.
Oh
You gotta come on. Is that a song? Is there a song called Wine Pon Me Cocky?
Of course.
We gotta
Wine
drop
Pon Me
this.
Cocky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
This is a hot track.
Damn.
It's one of those tracks that comes on, and you be like, yo, like I should be having sex, but I'm on the dance floor.
Yeah. So I'm gonna pretend I'm having sex on the dance floor.
Exactly.
Yeah, buddy.
Get the wild friction burn in your
Hell
pants.
yeah. I'm like, yeah. Clearly getting erect on the dance floor. Sure, that's for my young buddies out there. See?
The young bunners.
Yeah.
I don't know if you should be calling them buns.
Experience. What do you mean? You get the
They're
cheeks.
getting the cheeks, but you're calling them buns. Like you're like bunners.
Well, the bunners, yeah,
Like
because
gunners?
It's like
all right.
you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
They're gunning for buns.
Gunning for buns.
Saying.
That sounds like a charity.
It does, you know? Like the hot dog eating dude's charity and shit. Like, hey, gunning for buns, guys. Yo, eat bad hot dogs.
Got to GoFundMe for training. He's gunning for buns. Do the wild montage with Eminem.
Oh, I'm not afraid.
Kobayashi just eating hot dogs. How do you train for that? Because you know what? If you are really trying to be in a competitive eating contest and your friends don't stop you, like, yo, you have a problem. Like, how do you know the difference between bulimia and just a person eating a lot?
True. Also, do they throw up when they train?
Yeah,
What do you do?
supposed
You
to.
just got to stretch your stomach out?
Yeah.
OD? Damn.
Yeah.
How do you do that? With water? Mm-hmm. Me too.
Wow. Mero's nasty.
Nasty.
Mero.
Nasty.
Mero just walking around the house in boxes, harassing
All day.
his wife.
Yeah. Grabbing the cheeks when she's doing the dishes. Asshole.
just
It's like,
asshole.
I can't wait for you to go back to fucking work.
Oh, man.
Fucking annoying.
Probably not even a condom in that whole house.
Hell no.
These Dominicans.
Yo, if niggas came in the house, it's like, I'm going to kill everybody in here if you don't find me a condom. I'm be like, well,
Do you got to go
start
run?
doing the Our Father and shit. Love y'all niggas, you know what I'm saying? Rest in peace, all my niggas.
Yikes. And all your kids all there, or are they at school and shit?
Adrian's at school. You know what I'm saying? Avery's about to begin school.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So she's about to be chilling in the crib. So get a job.
Wow. Wow. All right, well.
Nah, don't get a job. I'm out here. Nigga, you know how good it feels to be like, yo, this is my shit. This is my shit. I paid for everything in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you say that often or no?
Nah, that's mad demeaning because she's doing a very important job. She's raising the kids. You know what I'm saying? That's probably almost more important than what I do.
Right.
But it feels mad good to be like, I bought this shit. I took a fucking cashier's check and bought this fucking Explorer. Cash. Nigga.
All right, well.
Right. But don't think I got money. That was just like I saved up to do that.
All
you know
right.
what I'm saying? Like, no.
Listen,
Chill. Yeah.
Shouts to the sponsor.
Hypnotic since 2001.
Every now and then, like, I get real smacked, and I'm like, yo, what if Mero's a federal agent and this is the long con?
That'd be a great movie.
This would be like The Departed, the
Wow.
Urban Departed.
Wow.
Yeah. But instead of Jack Nicholson, we got D. Ray Davis.
Nigga, dear, hey, sniff the coke, man. It feels mad good. Yo, rub it on your body.
No, do you know they're remaking The Departed? They're making a CBS show, and it's going to be about like a Latino gang or something.
Really?
Because there's no new ideas in Hollywood.
Damn. Y'all
They
are
can't think
really-
of anything new.
Yo, if y'all want to rehash some shit, I already told y'all, bro. We've been telling these niggas for years. New York Undercover reboot with Desus, Nice, and I, myself, the Kid Mero, Human Durag, and a white lady. I think somebody said Jennifer Lawrence. Whatever, like, en vogue, you know what I'm saying? Like, white ladies out there. Whoever it is, I don't know, Tina Fey. Who's the white lady that's popping right now? Megan, what's the most poppin'est white lady out there right now? Amy Poehler. Whoever. You know what I'm saying? Throw them in there, and we just do us, and she'll just be like, guys!
But see, that would be a comedy if we had Amy Poehler. We needed someone like
Serious? Gravitas?
Yeah.
Who's the most gravitas white lady? Helen Mirren?
Helen Mirren. I think she might be out the pay scale.
Yeah? She might be like, fuck y'all niggas. I do serious art. I'm not fucking with this bullshit. Niggas talking crazy out here?
All right.
I don't even know what
Helen Mirren. Helen Mirren, Barson, Yesenia. One day Mero's just going to have like an aneurysm with just like all his fucking...
It's going to be like Johnny Five.
Yeah, wow, Johnny Five alive. For those of y'all who don't get that reference...
That was a problematic movie because the dude who played the lead role in that movie was supposed to be an Indian fellow and he was not. So shout out to that problematicness. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's shout out to him.
Do you know when Short Circuit came out?
1983.
6.
86?
1986.
All right, close.
Wow.
Yeah.
Johnny Five alive.
95.
Wow.
I'm not watched enough to know about that movie when it came out.
It used to come on Channel 11 all the time.
That's why I know
There you
about
go.
it. Yep.
When they used to show movies.
Yep.
When kids were kids and America's great
That's
again.
right. America's great. And
And
everybody watched
minorities knew their
American Ninja on
place.
Sunday. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Remember American Ninja?
Huh?
American Ninja?
I remember that.
She had like 10 parts. And they were all wild. Nigga had mad ninjas and shit, throwing shit. Nigga chopped the car in half with a sword, man. Shit was lit, bro. I was like 10 years old, like, yo, I'll chop a car in half right now. It's dick.
Stop. It's a bi-coastal phone call. Stop. This is from I could get a promotion. Man, stop. I'm sorry. There's something wrong with my phone. I think it's my neighbor's Wi-Fi.
It's neighbor's dick, nigga. Is he fucking your neighbor? Don't fuck your neighbor. That could get problematic. Don't fuck your neighbor.
Thanks.
All my single people out there. I'm just saying, I'm not single, so I'll be trying to give knowledge to single people like, yo, don't do this. You know what I'm saying? I will never fall into this trap because I'm good. I'm got my thing. But for y'all that don't fuck your neighbor.
Nah, that's not. Don't listen to him.
Because what happens? You fuck your neighbor and then you're not fucking your neighbor no more. And now you got to see each other every time you take out the garbage.
So?
That's mad embarrassing.
No one cares anymore.
That's mad
The
embarrassing.
game doesn't change. No one gives a fuck about shit like
cares?
that. You have to fuck your neighbor so that way you can see which one of you has the better apartment. And here's the thing. Because a relationship in New York is all about who has a better apartment.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
That's where
you
you
will
gotta spend
fall
your
in
time
love
at.
with someone. Like someone could have like the worst breath, terrible teeth, their ears are not even,
Wi-Fi
patchy
super
dandruff,
strong. Yep.
eczema.
Nope.
They're
Don't matter.
dirty. They don't wash the dishes.
Don't matter.
But then you go up on their 5th floor, walk up is rent controlled. Looking at them different.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they got a box fan, but they're paying $400 a month in rent because their Aunt Esther
right.
died in 1920
Absolutely.
at a Charlie Chaplin riot.
And they moved right
And the
in.
apartment's been in the family ever since.
Ever since.
So now all of a sudden, you know,
I
maybe
had an
take
uncle-
out to salsa con fuego.
Do it.
You know?
Do it. Take it to salsa con fuego tonight. Hookah free for everybody.
No, like relationships in New York and the movie and shit. That's. I think New York is one of the few places where people will stay together just because like y'all live together and you
niggas
can't
on
move
the
out.
lease. Yeah.
So
Yo, listen, if I can't pick up more
we've all
hours.
done it.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta
You know?
stay here.
You have that awkward conversation. You don't know what to call this person anymore. Can't be like, yo, you're my ex because they're in the living room while you're watching TV with them. You know?
Can't bring people to the house and shit.
You can. It
Or you
depends
can,
on.
but it will be very petty and
it-
passive aggressive.
you know what I'm saying? Because you're like, you know what? We're both grown. I can deal with it. You can deal with it. But the first person to do it,
Yeah. Bro, I used to
other
have-
persons might be slamming the door when they go in their room.
You already know.
Maybe they're making popcorn. They're
Dog.
waiting by the microwave, looking at y'all while the popcorn's cooking.
Fam,
know
I
what
was in a
I'm saying?
situation like that.
Maybe we all watch this movie.
Yeah. It's a communal space. The
It's
living
communal
room. It's a
space.
shared space.
Okay.
So
It's
I'm
the
gonna watch this
apartment's
movie.
Netflix.
Yeah. So I don't
Maybe
give a
you
fuck
put your
about what
shirt
y'all
back
is
on,
doing.
all right?
You know what I'm saying? Because I'm watching Orange is the New Black. I don't give a fuck what y'all into.
Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all had some plans because I know Wednesday around here is Mr. Robot Night.
That's right.
So
So please abscond from
tell
the
your
fucking
little friend,
remote.
put his shirt back on. That's a little cute little fraternity tattoo, whatever he got on.
okay.
But that's not the place.
Oh,
and
it's
time
not,
for
I'm
this.
sorry. It's not a tattoo. It's branding. Oh, I'm sorry.
sorry.
Whatever. Pff,
Whatever.
Nigga burned himself. Okay, cool. That's who you fucking with now? Niggas that burn themselves? All right. No doubt. Fucking corny.
You got your half the rent. I didn't want to bring it up right now, but I feel like now.
I feel like now's the time because I feel like I got somebody that I can say, yo, my man. And you involve him in it. He's like, yo, he don't want nothing to do with that. Yo, my man.
I'm saying the month. It's 5 days of the month, right?
You feel me?
You say it.
If it's the 5th and rent is due on the 5th, why would it? You know what I'm saying? He's just like,
Shit.
Tasha, you think I could come back
You said he
later.
wouldn't be here.
You know what I mean?
Oh, now I'm here all day,
I'm here.
fam.
Yeah, now I
I'm
live here, nigga. This is my crib.
All day.
This is my shit.
All right. Look at the Wi-Fi name.
Yeah, don't get it confused.
My shit.
My shit, nigga. Thug Nation. That's my shit.
Underscore apartment 5B. Recognize that.
Yo, shout out to you if you ever did that and was mad asshole about it.
No, that was me. There was a girl, you know, we lived together, and towards the breakup was messy, and she couldn't find an apartment right away, so we had to like live together, and we decided we were going to be grown.
Oh, wow.
And date other people, and because I'm a guy, you know, I was good with it. I'm like, yo, whatever. Yeah. The first time, like, she went out and spent the night, nigga.
Damn.
It's like, so it ripped my heart. It just smashed that shit against the wall. I was just like, damn. I never felt pain like that.
So hurtful.
Yeah.
So much pain in my life.
I did that Carl Thomas shit where you're like, did that heavy sigh.
Damn, put on a white.
Never mind, I had just come home at like 9 in the morning from doing the same exact thing. But it's a principality.
No, it's different. It's different when
it's different.
It's always different.
I'm sensitive.
Yeah. I had an ex-girlfriend out there. We cheated on each other so much, but like every time she did it to me, I felt mad betrayed.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I was like,
you can't do that to me. I'm me.
I'm me, yo.
You can't do that to me.
I mean, like, I'm not me. Like, I wasn't me like, I'm me, right? But I wasn't popping.
I mean, I did that to you, but I didn't mean to do it to you.
You know what I'm saying?
But you meant to do that to me. That's
you
what
did it on
hurts.
purpose. I did the shit by accident. It was an accident.
Yeah.
I was fucked up.
Yeah.
You went out there. You was looking
On
for niggas to
purpose.
fuck with.
How
On
could
purpose.
you?
How could you do this
Could
to me?
you?
How dare you? Your phone's like, bing. Yesenia. Oh shit.
Don't worry.
Don't.
That's from my
That's
job.
not even, yo, it's for work, yo.
Come on,
yo,
what?
why you always stressing?
See,
yo, if I
this
had
is what I'm talking
if
about.
I was
This is what I'm
fucking with her,
talking
why
about.
would I have her saved in my phone?
All right.
Why would I have her in my phone?
That little heart emoji next to her name comes up automatically.
That's automatic, yo.
That's automatically.
That's it.
That's from Snapchat.
I don't even know. Come on, yo. Why you talking crazy trying to start
See?
shit, yo? I'm over here trying to end shit and push it together, and you over here beefing, yo.
That's why I'm going out tonight.
Damn,
Gotta
fuck
clear my
outta
head.
here, yo. Yo, that's you call your man with the wild fucked up like in jail, nigga. Yo, murder, man. Yo, what's going on tonight, B? What we getting into, man? This bitch is acting crazy, yo.
I'm with it.
I bet. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go do a robbery.
Wow. All right. That took a
sharp
that
left.
took a sharp left. I thought he was just trying to go see whatever, but
I listen. I feel strongly about this. I don't know if it's true or not, but I feel like it is very true. If you ask 9 out of 10 dudes who are locked up, what were you doing right before you committed this crime? I think like arguing with their girl was probably like 50% of the time.
I think the stat something like 80% has something to do with drugs or alcohol.
Okay.
So
All right. The other 20% is arguing with your baby moms.
all right, I don't think that is it either.
But it could be.
It's like head traumas and other things.
That's right.
Something like 90% of people on death row have had like head injuries.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah. Do you just make that up? Is that a wild?
That's a
Desus
fact. Not a Desus fact. That's a fact.
Is that a Desus fact?
I mean, it's from a small study. The study was like of 100 people, but that's a pretty.
Yeah. It's
You know
a
what I'm
nice
saying?
Swath of the population.
So if you ever, any of y'all ever listening, if you were younger and you like a kid hit you in the head with a plank or some shit, and you blacked out, there's a chance you could end up on death row for killing somebody.
Oh shit.
Not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.
That's right. Idle
kill
hands is the
somebody.
devil's plaything.
When you're just lying on your bed and you just get those sharp pains, and you're like, your body's like, kill 5 people. Kill 5 people. Kill 5 people. Murder. Kill 5 people. Assassinate. Kill 5 people. Kill 5 people.
Yeah. Yeah. Start hearing those, nigga. That's
All
you in
right.
trouble.
Start walking around the office and then follow. Right? Trying to be on a conference call. Kill 5 people. Kill them. With that DAC.
With the
Oh,
damn.
shit.
That was my rap. That was my hip hop.
This is how you rap when you on a fucking stage at a rap show. You grab the mic like this, you fucking spitting that shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
Who invented that? What did
I don't know. I remember. Shout out to anybody that if anybody remembers this. This is a wild deep cut. I listened to Mos Def on a halftime show on WNYU, and he was talking about. I don't know if it was on a song or a freestyle or something. He's like, yo, if you rap, he's like, yo, hold the mic from the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Like, hold the mic from the bass.
Don't grab the mic like this. Don't get all in the fucking mic like this. That shit sucks.
And I agree. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe I don't. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I like sometimes. It's a lot of pain in my life.
Wow, man.
Yeah.
Wow, we gotta get you a job. We gotta get you back in the office. Something. Like you're disconnected from the culture. You don't know what the hell's going on, man.
Yo, I'm out here pulling up. Yo, I was gonna say, but I forgot. But I'm smack.
Wow, Mero.
I'm just drinking Red Bulls, man.
How do you feel when your kids listen to this at your wake?
They'll be like, "Yo, that shit was fucking lit," because it's gonna be at the MoMA.
No, it's not.
Gonna be a whole retrospective. They're gonna be like, "Yo,
we're not gonna make it to the MoMA."
and
Kit
like,
Kat
all
is
this
sending a
shit.
box of chocolates your way in like a week. You're gonna be dead.
Nah,
And
dog. I told
we
you.
talked about it this all through the show. I've been trying. This has been an intervention, but we've done it like a show, and I've been bringing up things so you can catch it.
What?
All right. We talked about the diabetes. I talked
What?
about the price of EpiPens going up.
Oh shit.
You're not listening. You're talking about you're gonna buy a
EpiPens?
house, and you're gonna
Wait,
have to
time
buy
out. EpiPens are not
EpiPen.
diabetes thing.
You're gonna need it.
EpiPens
for
are allergies, eh?
No, you're gonna need it for your diabetes. You're gonna have the first insulin EpiPen.
I'm like, dog, I'm not allergic. It's not bee sting.
You're gonna like
It's
eat
sugar.
You're gonna eat cake and be like, oh, shit is worth it. Every time you see, what's the name? Smuckers or that
Smuckers, the
that
Uber Grape?
that cookie place we always go to? Schmackeries. You be online there eating a cookie, just alternating between bites with the EpiPen into your neck.
Yeah.
Sweating
Yo,
like
I'll be like, yo, my allergies feeling great. My stomach got wild. Now my pancreas is strong, be like the brain.
How do you even know?
Because I talk to him every day.
Your pancreas?
Yeah. We talk to each other. It's a life symbiosis. We talk. You know what I'm saying? My pancreas keeps my shit in order. You know
What does
I'm
the
saying?
pancreas do?
It creates the enzymes that break down sugar in the human body. Well, different types of O's is.
You're almost there.
OSEs.
You're almost there.
Like, sucrose, whatever. And then the A's from your pancreas breaks it down. The enzymes, whatever. O's gets broken down by A's. Or me, you know what I'm saying? If I got the high hair, you know what I'm saying? I'm chopping up the
You know
O's,
what I'm saying?
nigga.
Got the chest on the mother table. I'm gonna find a channel.
Chop, chop, chop.
Got
You know
the
what I
bag
mean?
right there, the triple B.
You know what I mean? Got the Ambisol on
Make sure
decky.
it's fat. Little B12 in there.
You know what I mean?
That's how we're funding the BX Academy. Got the big bags on Jerome.
Huh?
Don't go down the block. This shit not gonna burn your nose when you sniff it.
Nah.
Oh
I
man.
want to spend the next day shitting.
You know what I'm saying? I might have kept the crack on the flame too long. It looks like Cocoa Pebbles, but it's still good, Poppy.
Yo! This is why this shit is art, nigga. The only place where we could go from enzymes into chopping O's.
Okay?
You're welcome.
Shouts to the sponsor.
Thank you to Hypnotic
Yo, shout to Hypno.
for sponsoring this.
Hypno.
This is what this is. This was art
art.
or something.
It's Jackson Pollock.
This I feel like this is like this will be in the MoMA and they'll call this like rantings of a madman or some shit. And they're gonna like have a brain scan of Mero. Just slices of the brain. They'll be like, yeah, CTU.
I'm trying to think if I had. What are you, Jack Bauer? Nigga said CTU.
Yeah, CTU. He's a Yeezy, you know. What is it, CTE?
He's
CTE.
He's a corporate thug.
He's a corporate thug. He's out here trapping. Do you ever see those exhibits like where they take the human bodies and they pose them?
Right.
Have you ever gone to those?
And they show like the
The
cross
body
sections
shows?
and
Yeah,
shit.
you've been to those?
Yeah.
Yes, we're gonna
Yeah?
do those when we're dead. They're gonna pose us like that in the MoMA.
Oh, damn.
Yes, a lot of those are Chinese political prisoners.
Wow.
So
Wow.
that makes it even creepier.
Damn.
And they had a couple. I saw it in Chicago. They had a couple having sex.
What?
Yes,
They had a couple having sex?
they're dead.
Oh, they're dead. Okay. All right.
Yeah,
So he didn't grab the mic and be like,
It's raw dick, nigga.
wait, they're dead? Damn, that's fucked up. Don't put my naked dead body anywhere, fam. Put that shit in a coffin in a nice suit.
Nah, see, that's humans.
I want a mausoleum. I want to do the wild Puerto Rican style where I'm just like, yo,
No other animal
mausoleum.
does that. No other animal was like, yo,
we got to bury this guy.
let's have some sort of sign that they were there.
Wait
But
a
humans are like, yo, let's fucking make a statue and waste part of the earth.
I think animals do that, though.
They don't do that.
There's animals that bury each other for sure.
But you don't see them like fucking scratching a name into the rock, like and putting up a tombstone for the
I
shit.
mean, I think
When
I
you're
have.
done, you're done.
That's true.
When you're done,
In the
you're
animal
done.
world?
In the real world.
In the real world? In life?
The real world, 6-hour world.
Damn.
Because guess what? In reality
You just brought me
is,
down.
the reality is, in 4 generations, no one's gonna remember anything specific about you anyway.
That's why you got to see. That's why kids are so
When you
good
walk
because
through,
kids will
no,
just
your
move-
kids won't remember
will
that
move
either.
your shit forward.
No.
Yeah, you got to be.
Because think
you
about
gotta
it.
be
Your
ill
kids,
nigga. If you're
in 4
cornballing, they won't.
generations, one of your kids is gonna be like someone's grandfather.
Yeah.
So they're gonna know of the Kid Mero, but they're not gonna know
that's
like
enough for
the
me.
in and outs. They're gonna
I
know
don't
what you
care.
smelled like.
Oh, I don't want
what
them
your
to know
shit
that.
smelled like and
Yeah,
shit
no,
like
no,
that.
no.
Nah,
That's cool. I don't need
lost
that.
to the ages.
No.
You'll just be like some sort of archetype.
Yeah,
Just
that'd
out
be
there.
lit. That'd be lit. A painting of me. What? A
Nah,
painting of me
I
while
say-
smacked
in like the center hall of like some mansion and shit. Like, yo, but no suit, just like the wild like white tee, the do rag. Like, yo, wild smack. You know what I'm saying? Oil painting, commissioned.
Or they're like in a soup kitchen. And they're like, he ruined us.
Either way, the legacy's strong.
He ruined us. Mero. They all change their last name. They don't want to be remembered with you. Listen, it could go either way. It could go either way.
Damn, it's so sad.
But if you bring shame to your family.
I'm going to beat the shit out of my kids because of that now. It's your fault. I'm not. I'll never do that. I love my children, man. Shout out to y'all, man.
No, maybe you should.
Y'all mad cool.
Maybe you should take a fistful of Hypnotic and go home and tell people what's what.
And throw them in the face?
Tell people. Remind people who pays the bills. And guess what?
My kids
Daddy's tired. Daddy just recorded a podcast, and there's enough of this blood clot noise in here. Do you want me to come? I'm coming home with you today. Listen, I'm gonna put these kids. Listen, what was that? Super Nanny?
Super Nanny.
Super Desus is here.
Mrs. Desus fire.
You should see Mero's kids when they see me. They just be like,
He's like, yo,
they're like, yo, I don't like him.
Yeah, nigga.
So Mero turn around and be like, I'm gonna pinch the shit out of you. I'm gonna pinch.
No, that's wild. Imagine pinch.
You got little kids. When little kids don't have the words to describe abuse, that's when you got to pinch them.
Oh.
I just got the death look from Hypnotic. Hypnotic said over 3 things. Their next time they do this, they're gonna hey like, here are the 50 things that you can't say.
Talk about.
We talked about gun running, pinching kids, necrophilia,
drug sale and use. Lit.
That's it. But we've never mentioned any specific cognac.
That's
and
right.
Mixing it with Hypnotic.
You know what I'm saying?
To make another unlicensed character from the Avengers who's very strong.
You know what I mean?
You know? Maybe he's Ant-Man.
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe you make a cool, refreshing Birdman.
You know what I'm saying?
You know?
Buy it in China. It'd be called like Lovely Giant. Some shit like that.
The Indubitable Bulk?
No! That's not allowed. Then we'll get bought for that. Niggas gonna bleep that.
No, that's listen, we walked the tightrope.
We did
this.
Wow.
Shout to Hypnotic, the sponsor brand.
How am I still smacked?
Bang Bang. Gang since 2001.
That's right.
Shout for coming through. Shout for
Uno. You know what I'm saying?
Shouts to the homie. Hypnotic in the building. MC Hypnotic.
Young Diamond.
You know what I mean? She came through with the bottles on deck. Shout out to Hypnotic cutting the check. We got some things on deck.
Oh boy, I can't wait to
Can't talk about it. We'll talk about it later.
That's right, nigga. We doing.
Yeah, we're doing. We can say it now.
Oh, we can say it.
We can say it now.
That's
right. Anyway, shout out to Hypnotic came through. We'll be taking over their Twitter.
That's right.
During the VMAs. Maybe we're not going to the VMAs. We were not invited.
But
Shade,
we'll be there in spirit.
Shade will be there in spirit. No, we won't. Maybe we throw our own party.
That's right.
Say maybe we live tweet.
Or maybe we do.
Maybe we drag them.
Maybe
on
we
the
go to
Twitter
Hypnotic
timeline.
headquarters and shut the shit down and have a bouncy castle wilding out and live tweet the whole shit and wild out.
Live from
You know what I'm saying?
Parsippany, New Jersey.
That's right.
Is that where Hypnotic comes from? Is that a place? Parsippany?
Secaucus.
Secaucus?
I don't know.
Elizabeth. Right next door to Chris Christie.
Little you fat fuck. Yeah, I was going on the bridge yesterday, and they had 2 lanes closed, and I immediately was like, "Yo, fuck Chris Christie, yo."
As you should.
As you should. Because there was nobody building shit. Also in New Jersey, cops sit there and watch motherfuckers do construction. Like that's a detail.
Well, that's
like,
where
we get to sit there and watch our dude make a hole in the ground. I was like, what?
That's where you're moving. That's your tax dollars, dog.
Bruh.
Enjoy it.
Chill.
Enjoy it.
I'm right behind them all, so they pay all the taxes on my behalf.
I can't wait for the first time you come back to Red Bull Studios and you have on like the Adidas tracksuit and you got your hair slicked
Like,
back.
Jesus, let me tell you something, buddy. This show that we're doing is fucking art. You know what I'm saying? Pass me the month of
You just got fucking cold cuts on the table?
Oh, I got a little antipasto for you. Look at this. I got a little mortadulli, little guttajulu. Huh? You like that?
Oh.
It's fucking wooling.
It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit.
I can't wait.
Episode 36.
That's right.
Who's number 36? We got the player's number here.
Jerome Bettis. Is Jerome Bettis number 36? The bus? Jerome Bettis number 36. Yep. The bus.
Was it the bus?
Yeah.
He retired though, right?
Sometimes you gotta run through a motherfucking face. He didn't say that. Marshawn Lynch did that. Darren Sproles. Get Darren Sproles out of here. Except when I'm throwing them screens at Madden, Darren Sproles is lit. Y'all know. Madden gang.
Are you serious? We don't know who number 36 is. One of the greatest Knicks ever.
Sheed Wallace? Melo?
Rashid.
Oh, Sheed. Yeah. She was still. I mean, Sheed played in Uptown. So did he really play basketball professionally, or was he just hooping out there?
He was just hooping.
You know what I'm saying? He was just having fun.
2 ball in both games, like Pee Wee Kirkland.
Man,
That nigga used to pull up for 3 wearing Uptowns in
Love it.
professional NBA game.
Just show
Respect
up,
that man.
Show up at Masters Square Garden with a pause tape and play it over the PA while
That's
he warms
right.
up in a fucking boxing bear bubble jacket.
And dirty ass Timbs.
Dirty ass Timbs with no laces and the metal fell out. Scuffing the shit out of the Masters Square on the floor.
don't give a fuck.
Love that, dude.
Shout to
Show
Cheese.
with a ringworm on his head. Don't
Oh,
even care.
man.
Got to put that blue shit on it. My West Indians know what I'm talking about.
Only millionaire live in a halfway house.
Down at the Bowery.
You know what I'm saying?
Smelling like pee. Yo, it's your boy, Desus Nice. A.K. Young Chipotle. A.K. Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio. Chris That's for Sling It. Eli
Damn.
Lippy. Butcher's Gully. Slow that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party. Young Hot Take. Diesel Takes Fuego. Mr. Nando's with a Rondo. 1994. Macau going off the Juve Boss. MC Lickle Gunga P. Pull up from 40 with your shorty. A.K. Don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
We don't know each other.
You. Don't
We're
even look at me.
familiar.
Stay in the front. You're getting out before me, not me. I'm going all the way to the Bronx. The original My Plus One got a plus one.
That's right.
So don't make a fuss, son.
Nah.
A.K. Mr. La Marina in a mesh marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor.
Damn.
A.K. You're problematic, baby.
That's right.
Mwah.
That's right. It's your boy. The Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap nigga, a.k.a. Scott Loader. You know what I'm saying? Donovan McDab. You know what I'm saying? Curve Gotti. Baby Newport. Rico Sabroso. You know what I'm saying? The East Tree, my Stevie B. You know what to do when you see me in Target, and that is don't look me in my fucking eyeballs, because when I go to your crib, I'm opening your motherfucking medicine cabinet, and guess what? Check the list again, because my name is definitely on it. No, I'm not stepping to no fucking side while you check the other dude. Check my shit right now. Let's go.
All right. Oi, mate. Tell it to my
All right.
face, you cheeky cunt. As always, Grind Boy. Shout out to Red Bull Studios. Shout out to Hypnotic. Shout out to all the sponsors. Be back next week. Whoop. Check us out on iTunes. And follow Hypnotic on Twitter. You get free tickets and you get free bottles of Hypnotic. Actually, I'm being told you can't.
You can, but
one last part. We out. Bluminati.